ଆପଣ ନଥିଲେ ବି ମୁଁ ଦେବି
ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ ନାଁ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଦେବି ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଓନ୍ଲି ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଡିସମିସିଂ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି ଏଟା ଆଉଟଡେଟେଡ୍ ଦେବି ଆଉଟଡେଟେଡ୍ ଯିବ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ନିର୍ମଲ କୁମାର ସେନ
ହଁ ଲେଖ ନା ଲେଖ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର
15
ହଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଦବ ଅନନେସେସରି ନୋଟିସ୍ ହିସାବରେ ହେଇଯାଉ ତାକୁ ଟାଇମ୍ ନେବି ଆପଣ ଫେସ୍ ଫେସ୍
ମାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧ ବୋଲି ସେ
ମୁଁ କହୁନି ମାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଏନି
I am least bothered about all these things
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଏନି
don't tell all these things before this court କାହାକୁ ଜୁନିୟର ଟିକେ ପଠେଇବେ ମାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧ ବୋଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ ନା କଣ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧ କରନ୍ତୁ କି ମନା କରୁଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ
ମାନେ item 12 ମାନେ permitted to withdraw.
12 permitted to withdraw.
Let's say
Next.
item 14. Let's kindly taken up after next week.
14
Yes.
this is also fresh matter
Yes.
you come I'm not passing to you come I'll issue notice in the matter guda kai time ne mu jani pareni issue notice haba kon by time nebo fresh matter guda kai time neu matter lagau to mention kari lagau nela ale time kai lagau neu তাহলে যদি টাইম নেব তাহলে সিধা এপ্রিলে দেবি এপ্রিল লাগো এটা এপ্রিল 29 লাগো এপ্রিল 29 আরবি করো নাহলে এপ্রিল 29 কো দেবি 28 29 দেবি সব जोड़ा कोड़ा इच्छा
एंट्री मॉडल ଅଛି
एंट्री मॉडल ଅଛି हां जाओ এই এনজয় हां তাহলে তো নাই কালি এন্ট্রি মডেল ଅଛି কোউ না সেটা
Intermediate continue.
एंट्री मॉडल टू कंटिन्यू এটা কোন एंट्री मॉडल टू कंटिन्यू কোন डायरेक्शन देउछन ना आदेश जी जी सरकार बोलिए
No.
क्या बोल रहे हैं वो कहिबा बेले ये भी सीखना है यंग काउंसिल शुड लर्न दिस कोन कहबी आपण और बोल कोन तो नला म देबी कोंतु
Let's say intermediate to be continue.
माने एडे एडे कोन कहले एडा माने डायरेक्शन दोछन मते सेंटेंस ठीक कर कोंतु
Let's say kindly intermediate continue.
बोलेला हलानी
Let's say kindly with intermediate continue.
बोलेला अब ठीक न कहबा जे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कंडोन्स विदिन आउथरे भले कोंतु तम पचान तो कान रे कहि देबे आ आपण कोंतु हला एते तो कर परिबे मिस्टर मून टी बते देंतु
Pray for intermediate continue.
प्रे फॉर द
Pray for intermediate.
हो तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे एवरी डे यू कमिट मिस्टेक
Let's say I am
हां
stress.
फ्रेश
No stress.
हां
Stress.
स्ट्रेस
Fear. Fear.
फियर्स
fear why fear if you can't face the court then what will you face then
Because lordship.
fear तो royal court के चलिबो why fear I am here don't fear okay जाओ next
केबे गला केबे डेट है सर केबे गला
6th March 6th March
Page number 3, item 21 to 27.
21 to 27
Page number 4, item 28 to 32.
yes
Lordship item 30 pray for 2 weeks time
30
30
fresh
Admission.
not fresh 2006 रे matter 2006 matter 2 weeks time मागे तो बेसरम भया मागु छ
sorry man conducting counsel Mr. YSP बाबू died file
Oh,
that trace हे पर 2 weeks time दियन तो आगा
who died
YSP बाबू
conduct council मिलन कानून को नाम
नहीं YSP बाबू डील करसन फाइल रे भी थी आगा 2 weeks time दियन आगा फाइल रा सब नोटिस
2006 matter
आगा सर
तो टिके तो खराब लगेगा कथा
सर नांदी फाइल टा तंग घर
release the matter on 13th March next don't ask for time for old matters I am not going to grant you ajadi debi 500 rupees eta bhi dekho 500 rupees subject to payment of 500 rupees next
गोटे चांस नेक्स्ट पर फाइन आउ ना हे फाइन नोटिस हे जाय
next ए जे ओल्ड मैटर टाइम मागियो से रेडी है 500 टका मिनिमम कर खर्च करियो तो बार एसोसिएशन पाउ पैसा किछ से बहाना हला ओके नेक्स्ट
Page number 5, item 33 to 43.
33 43 देखियो एबे केबे कमी जीवो एबे संगे संग कमी जीवो
Item 42, I am filing a memo for withdrawal.
which one 40
42.
42 withdrawal allowed next
Page number 6, item 44 to 48.
44 to 48
Page number 7, item 49 to 50.
Item number 49, my lord, counter has not been filed. And not today, any other day, my lord, I'll file the counter.
here for the petitioner
I am for the opposite party.
Who is
I'll
for the
file the
petition?
counter.
Who is for the petitioner? Intimate him. You don't come on your own. Without the other side counsel, you don't come.
The counter not filed.
Counter file hai to not how.
The last occasion, your lordship has granted time and
14th
directed
March, yeah. Next,
Page number 8, item 51 to 60.
item 52, my lord.
51 to
52.
52.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. I pray for 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder. I have
Rejoinder.
informed the other side.
You have intimated.
Yes, ma'am.
14th March. Next,
Item 55, ma'am. I'm for the opposite party number 1 and 2. I pay
50.
further 2 weeks time to filing the counter.
55.
My lord.
55. Who is for the?
Petitioner.
Who is
I am the petitioner.
Okay. 13th March.
Okay.
Item 56, next week.
56 next to come by. Opposite party को देइछन खबर
हाँ कह
के का कहछन opposite party को इन्फॉर्म न कले मन एडजमेंट दउनी आपण opposite party इन्फॉर्म करंतु जेतेबेले मजरे इन्फॉर्म आसी नेक्स्ट
Page number 9, item 61 to 67.
61 to 67.
Page number 12, item 68 to 77.
72 minutes.
72. What is that?
My mother has been expired. I have taken last result. I need some 2 weeks time.
70. Okay. 20th March.
Yes, ma'am.
20th.
Item 76.
On the request of Allah.
Item 70,
76.
my lord. I am for the petitioner, state is for the opposite party, but pleadings are over. I pray for 2 weeks' time to for final hearing.
Final hearing. 27.
My lord.
27. Next.
Your lordship, item 77, not press, your lordship.
77 not missed.
Oblige, your lordship.
78.
Page number 13, item 78 to 85. Page number 14, item 86 to 94. Page number 15, item 95 to 102.
102.
Item 97.
97 कौन है?
97, it carried.
What is that?
Challenging the action of the OP bank.
कौन
in
चाहते
not-
ଆପଣ?
ମୋର compromise amount accept କରୁନଥିଲି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ file କରିଛି.
हाँ.
What reason ହଉଛି there is some delay.
हाँ.
In the meanwhile, they have accepted in similar loan accounts.
Nothing survives.
No, similar loan accounts, they have accepted the compromise amount with the delayed period interest. So
ଆପଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ସାର୍?
ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ସେ ଯେ ମୋର ମୁଁ withdraw କରୁଛି with a liberty to approach the higher authority of the bank. Higher with that observation ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖିଲି
Liberty to approach the appropriate authority.
to accept the compromise amount at par with others where they have accepted.
Praying for acceptance of the compromise.
Dr. Ponda is also appearing in this. She is appearing through VC.
Okay, dispose.
My lord, item 100, praying for 1 week after.
Atom?
100.
Till then, can I pray? Till
फिर ଆଉ କଣ ଆପଣ ସଇଲାଣି ପରେ ଆଉ withdraw କଲା ପରେ till then ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଥାଏ? ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ practice କଲେ ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଶିଖିବି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି.
I am very
You are withdrawing फिर till then
No,
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ till then କଣ? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତ liberty ଦେଲା ଆପଣ till then ଗୋଟେ କୋଉଠି ଆଇଲା?
obliged.
100 100 କଣ ହେଲା?
2023 matter, state opposite party, praying for 1 week time.
March 14 13 March.
Oblige, ma'am.
Item number 31, my lord.
31 ସରୁ ଏଟା ସରିଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ.
Page number 16, item 103 to 105.
Yes,
Item number 31, my lord.
31.
May I pray, my lord? It requires, I was going through the entire file, my lord. There are several cases, my lord. 3-4 cases are there, my lord. I was going through a combined date chart is necessary, so your lordship may call it next week so that I will prepare the date chart and
You intimate
come
the
back.
opposite party. You are-
I will intimate.
I beg pardon,
I'll inform.
item
ଟିକେ
72.
ଗୋଟେ ସରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେବେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି 6th March
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆଗକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା।
ଆଉ ଆକୁ
ନାଇଁ ଆଗକୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ
ନା
early date.
pre-dating 26 February
I have
Apart from-
mentioned wrongly with 72 instead of
ସାର୍ ରଙ୍ଗଲି କାର କରିଦେଇକି ପଳଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଲୋକ ଆସିକି ହେଲା ବେଳେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପଳେଇଥିବ ଡେଟ୍ ଏଇଟା
72
ଟିକେ ତ
sir,
ଦେଖିବ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
sir.
ଏବେ ତ ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ବାହାଘର ସିଜନ ଏତେ ଓଡିଶାରେ ମଦ ଫଦ ମିଳୁନି ଆଉ
The mother expired କଥା ମୁଁ 72 instead of 72.
70
କରିଦେବା next week sir.
72 ତ
74 sir.
74
Sir, ଟିକେ କାମ ଅଛି sir, personal କାମ।
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାରୀ ଦେଖାହେବ ମେନସରିଂରେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାରୀ ଦେଖିବି ନା କଣ କଣ ବି ବୁଝିବି ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବେ ଦେଖିବି let him go somebody express his after 2 weeks naturally 2 weeks 29 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଦେଇଥିଲି ବୋଧେ
28th March.
এটা atom কোটা ঠিক করে কোন atom টা কেতে
74.
74
74
Yes.
फिर कौन असुविधा ହେଲା
sir, I have mentioned 72
ओ 72 कर देते 74 February next
Oh,
okay atom mark start कर
item 1 to infrastructure.
okay 1 2
2 be adjournable.
3
Item 3.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, the present petitioner has challenged the judgment that has been.
mic ta
The present petitioner has challenged the judgment that has been passed by the learned first additional session judge Baripada.
what is the issue
Your Lordship, the issue is that I had been convicted under section 376 and 506. Subsequently, I have filed a revision in the sessions court, and he has also convicted me under section 376. Your Lordship.
okay
So the allegation against me is that between the victim, the victim is a major girl, Your Lordship. Between the victim and me, there has been instances of intercourse out of which the victim had given birth to a girl child, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, if I may provide Your Lordships with the statement of the victim, Your Lordship.
I'm issuing notice
Yes, Your Lordship.
admit for it you buy what are the eyes
Your Lordship,
you are in custody now
no, Your Lordship.
you're not
I will be committed to custody if I'm not granted by bail by Your Lordship.
okay this AI number 105 mail ସେଟା ତାପରେ 106 ରହିଲା 106 what do you want
Your Lordship, 106 is for stay realization of fine, Your Lordship. One is for stay realization fine, and the second one is for
106 ରେ ବେଲ୍ ଲେଖିଛୁ see 106 କଣ ଲେଖିଛୁ
no, Your Lordship. I have stayed.
copy paste
Your Lordship,
105 ରେ ବେଲ୍ ଅଛି
no, Your Lordship. 105 is
106
stay
related.
realization of fine, achi.
ଏ ଉଲ୍ଟା କହୁଛୁ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି 105 ହଉଛି ରିଲେସନ ଅଫ ଷ୍ଟେ ରିଲେସନ ଅଫ
Yes, Your Lordship.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
next date day 20th March
Your Lordship.
20th March
Item
for
number
final hearing LCR will call for it. Next
May I please,
Item 4.
may I please, my lord?
Item?
Petition 4, my lord.
yes what is it
Petitioner is a teacher who has taken loan of 40,000 from ORHDC, batch of
that war is this the batch
My-
संग लगा
my lord.
batch कब ଅଛି
11th को अच्छी.
11
March.
There is a prayer for IA annexure 1 टा salary block करिया ପାଇଁ ଅଛି. Order करचंदी BEO बालियापाट.
in the meantime the election one election
Running page 6, my lord.
there shall be stay of the order of arising out of the notice order dated 4/1/2024 issued by the BO Baliapal Vide annexure 1 to the connected rate petition to the final disposal of the current petition.
Okay.
Final petition. Next
Item 5.
May I please, Lordship?
5
Lordship, the petitioner, being the poor man, avail the loan from the opposite party to purchase the auto rickshaw, Lordship, sum of rupees 1,60,000, Lordship.
okay
Yeah, Lordship. And also paying some amount. Now
now
Now he is ready to clear up all the dues.
କେତେ dues
ସେମାନେ ସେତେବେଳେ କହିଥିଲେ representation ସେ 47,411,
କେତେ dues
Lordship.
which bank
IndusInd Bank, Lordship.
so issue notice to IndusInd Bank କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
Mr. Panigrahi.
Hmm?
Mr. Panigrahi.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ମିଷ୍ଟର ଆରସି ପାଣିଗ୍ରାହୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବେ କପି।
Lordship, I will solve the
Give a
copy.
copy of the petition to Mr. R.C. Panigrahi, who usually appears on behalf of IndusInd Bank. List the matter on 20th? ना आगे देखते हैं।
ନାଇଁ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ସେ ତ ଦେଇଦେବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ଅଛି ପଇସା ଦେଇଦବ ଯାହା ଅଛି
अरे सर एटा बेसी दिले ହେଲା ନା ଆହୁରି short date ଦେବି
ନା,
ପଚାରୁଛି।
ଆଉ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ହେଲେ ଭଲ ହବ
ଭଲ ତ ସେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
You are so honest. 15.
Item number 6.
6. 6.
Last time non appeared.
Non appears. Non appears on behalf of the petitioner at the time of call. Last occasion also on 31st on the last day. On 31st 1/2024 also non call. However, next.
Item number 7.
7. Regular convention.
It has been non appeared.
JSM order. Next. 8.
Item number 8.
Eta regular.
non appears itla last
Regular
time.
share.
31
Same order. Tabra.
Item number 9.
9.
9, my lord. The matter may be disposed of with liberty
Liberty to
to approach if the cause of action arose.
okay. No instruction go no.
My
No
No.
instruction. If Lord Council petition submitted, if any correction, you will have to go to accordingly this simply what is next.
Item number 10.
10. 10.
non appears itla last time.
Hmm?
Last 31
Same order. Next.
Item number 11.
11.
11 my lord dispose of this case if the confiscation is pending then I will take the recourse there.
Okay.
If dispose of, then I will notice. Because they have already, your lordship time and again directed them to obtain the status of the confiscation.
So you have got it.
If it is,
Like, despite the order by this court to obtain the status of the confiscation. In 2018, the same information has not yet been obtained by the state.
Yes, yes, confiscation was pending by the state.
Pending. And the
then I
confiscation
have
is
to
pending.
take the recourse there.
Land Council states in this. Land Council states submitted. Since the confiscation is proceeding is pending before HGM Nilgiri,
No, my lord. Your authorized officer.
authorized officer
Nilgiri.
Nilgiri, the petitioner is directed to approach the said officer and the for and the said officer shall dispose of the same within 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. Next.
Item number 13.
13. 38 years old.
Last occasion, your lordship release the vehicle and direct the transport commissioner to furnish the affidavit. Last.
File करछंदी
प्रभाकर बेहरा was supposed to file for STA.
पासवर्ड कर दे पासवर्ड करो
Intimate copies.
नेक्स्ट पासवर्ड कर दे असला देखिए नेक्स्ट
Item 15.
15.
That is you mentioned what he said that this notice for you.
हाँ
Madam, matrimonial dispute, husband and file this case for challenging the discharge order for entry maintenance.
एंट्री मेंटेनेंस
Mine.
ओके इशू नोटिस ହେଇଛି ବୋଧେ ଏଟା
Nahi.
ହେଇଛି
Okay.
ନା ନା
Madam,
ହେଇନି
miscase is-
ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ବାର ବାର ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତା
ନା,
ସମୟ
one date.
ଆଉ ତା
one date-
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ୟାସନ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଟାଇମ ନେବାଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଲା ହେଲେ ଖାଲି the issue notice to the ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରେ ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ନୋଟିସ ବି ଇସୁ ହେଇନି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରେ କାମ ହେଲା ଟାଇମ ନେବାଟା କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଟାଇମ ନେବାର ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେନି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ କହୁଥିଲେ
wife is service holder. My wife is a service holder.
ସର୍ଭିସ ହୋଲ୍ଡର ଯାହା ହେଇଥିବ issue notice to the opposite party by registered post. This the representative may file within 1 week from today. This the matter on
My
20th matter.
I is pending for
କିଛି
state.
ଆଇଏଫଆଇ ଶୁଣିବିନି ମୁଁ ଯେ
Wife
time ଟା
is
ଲୋକର କିଛି
wife is service.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବିନି କହିଲି ପରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟରେ ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ସିନସିୟର ତା ପାଇଁ ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ରେଡି ଅଛି ଆଉ ଏମିତି ପ୍ରତି ଥର ଆପଣ ଟାଇମ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
More my lord kind.
କିଛି ନଥିଙ୍ଗ ଆଇଏଫଆଇ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣୁନି
On five. I prepare on 5.
କଣ ଅଛି ଆଇ
I file for stay for order annexure 4.
Annexure 4 କଣ?
Decision order to entry maintenance.
Okay, ठीक है till the next date. Next
Item 16.
16
Excellency matter, amount already disbursed.
and consequently the state submit that the excellency amount has already been disbursed by the state and no case nothing survives in the case second disfigure. Next
Item 17.
May please your lords. What is the limited prayer of the petition, my lord? As per OTS scheme, as per OTS scheme, I have already cleared the entire dues of the Axis Bank, my lord.
17
Yes, my lord.
17.
which
My-
for the Axis Bank notice ଯାଇଛି
Notice has gone and my learned friend has already appeared.
who
Rajit Rai, my lord.
nobody there
And on previous occasion, my lord directed the how much interest I have to pay, my lord. I have paid the entire amount as per OTS scheme.
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ କିଏ ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି
No, no, my lord. My associate,
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଲଞ୍ଚ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପରେ ଲେଖିଦଉଛି
my lord. After lunch, my lord.
ହଁ after
My lord.
ତିନିଟା ବେଳେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
3 o'clock.
My lord.
Next
Item 18.
18 who is you are for the
And for the bank, my lord.
who is for the petitioner
Mr. Jolly Sukandari, by 2 o'clock, Asumilo.
Huh?
Some instruction will come up by 2 o'clock.
okay release the matter after 2 weeks 13 non-epic
No, no.
petitioner
By 2 o'clock today. my
or
lord.
2 o'clock was
My lord.
3 o'clock
Obliged.
3 o'clock 3 o'clock
Obliged.
okay. Next
Item 19.
19 19 non-APS last round
Time it.
non-APS despite the fact that the petitioner have taken time in the last occasion at the last time the petition is granted 1 week time for one thing. No further time shall be granted at any cost. This is the matter on 12th March. Next
Item 20.
20
Item 20, my lord. Substitution petition in IA number 2132 of 23, filed by the appellant insurance company, in
Right.
which the MACA 50 of 22 was disposed of in Lok Adalat, my lord. After that, the petitioner has filed IA
161123.
1611 of 23. But my lord has directed to file the substitution petition by the appellant. I am for the appellant and I have filed.
you have filed it
Yes, already filed. 2132 of 23.
substitution petition allowed file a list the consolidation
Already schedule given.
on this the matter
List.
now
For the IA is available for a lordship.
issue notice to the opposite
No, I have already entered appearance, my lord.
21
Matter has been settled in local Adalat, my lord. Subsequent at the instance of your lords. As per
ତାପରେ କଣ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
before
ଖାଲି-
receipt ସେଟା ସେ expert କରିଗଲେ.
so now what
ନା ମାନେ she has filed the substitution, my lord.
ତ ଏବେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ let me close it
Yes.
since the matter since the
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
matter
ନାଇଁ
has
ମାନେ
already been
substitution ଟା
settled with
only
the
ଖାଲି
party.
ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ସେ ଏଇଟା ଏବେ ଲordship allow the substitution petition ତ he will file the
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ substitution petition allow କରି ନ କରି କଣ ଲାଭ ସବୁ ସରିଗଲାଣି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ସରି ନାଇଁ
So-
ପଇସା ଟା ପାଇପାରିନୁ ନା
ପଇସା ପାଇଲା
ନାଇଁ ପଇସା
settle
before
କିଛି ତାହେଲେ କହୁଛୁ
before receipt ଟା ଦେବ
Lok Adalatରେ settled ହେଇଛି, my lord.
ତ ପଇସା
In the
ପାଇଲା
meantime,
ପଇସା
ନା
ପାଇଲା,
ନା, in the
ପଇସା-
meantime, ଯେତେବେଳେ check ଆସିବା ଭିତର 1 month after the settlement,
Okay.
within 1 month, petitioner number 2 was died.
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀକୁ ସେଟା କହିବେ ନା କୋର୍ଟ କଣ କରିବ ସେଥିରେ go to insurance company and
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
I am for the insurance company, my
Seized
lord.
for the-
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ସବୁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ
ସବୁ
ସେ
ଦେଇ
ଦେଇଛୁ
ଦେଇଛୁ।
substitution
the insurance company to consider the
ନା ନାଇଁ lordship unless your lordship
ତୁ ଟିକେ ମୋ କଥା ସରୁ the insurance company shall consider the disbursal of the amount as per the decree passed by the permanent local adalat
high court ଲୋକ
okay local adalat ଖାଲି
National Lok Adalat.
ହେଲା ତୁ consider କରିବେ ଆଉ ଫେର କଣ
unless your lordship will allow them
କଣ
substitution
ଆଲୋ
Substitution
substitution allow କଲି ପରା First कौन कहली allow कहली बोले substitution allowed बोली लिखली
In IA number 2132 of
सब कुछ
20.
लिखा है बटन बोली है to consider and dispose it of within 1 month from the date of presentation of this order
Oble.
My lord,
सुनो ना आंते आधा सुन सुन I have already told that
my lord, item 18. Passo.
कहते
18.
आगे मझे 18 ना 18
18. 180.
already pass over ही सर जी
Item 21,
21 21
last time non appeal.
today non appeal today so I am order body next
Item 22,
22
22, my lord, permitted to withdraw, my lord.
okay 22 learned concept what is your name
My name is Jyotirmay Barik. My power is not there.
Jyotirmay Barik
Jyotirmay Barik. My power is not there.
Jyotirmay Barik
Yes.
okay learned concept
On behalf of Mr. Dayanand.
you are on behalf of okay Mr. Jyotirmay Barik appearing on behalf of Mr. Dayanand Mahapatra is seeks to withdraw the criminal division. Next,
item 23,
23.
May I please, sir? And on the last occasion, our lordship had directed
Hmm.
to pay an amount of rupees 50,000 and pursuant to your lordship's direction, I have
50,000
already
to
completed the same, my lord.
you have paid.
I have paid. I do have the certified copy.
This affidavit. Car phone vajuchi. Jar phone vajuchi phone 500 rupees pay karibar. Allah 500. Car vajila. Next, ये कौन कहता ला?
I have pursuant to your lordship's direction, I have already paid rupees 50,000. But I
Who is for the opposite party?
Hmm.
Who is for the opposite party?
Mr. Pundu.
Huh?
Mr. Pradeep Kumar Pundu. Yes.
Not there.
No,
Okay.
not come.
Which is my order? This is my order.
No, that is pursuant to your lordship's direction. I have paid before the learned
As
court
per
below.
direction of the Honorable High Court,
Your
this
lordship.
respondent, namely Anita Swani, deposit an amount of 50,000 today. Kala number so and so, this time is attached to the.
Your lordship had passed the order on 24/1/24.
But opposite party is not there, sir.
Well,
Opposite party is not
but
there.
only showing.
You are there? So he has paid 50,000?
No.
Well, I have
You are,
already.
you are, you are showing affidavit, you have paid and.
No, affidavit like
Order,
this-
sorry,
this is the
order,
my
order.
lord.
And you have pursuant to the order, you have paid, this is
The
statement is
BIG.
recorded in the code below.
My lord, perhaps,
FC, how is that? Nimapara.
my lord, perhaps my learned
You have
senior-
received the amount or not? You take instruction. I'm fixing after 2 days. You take instruction, sir.
Order to the.
You take instruction from your client. Maybe he
my lord.
might have received and you don't know. And
My lord.
maybe you don't have communication.
Yes.
Okay, so list the matter to verify whether the learn for the here for the opposite party, na? Here for that the okay, okay. The petition learn for the here for the
Opposite party.
no opposite party
Wife.
wife and another who is it? The child
Daughter.
daughter. Okay, learn for the opposite party, opposite parties. Huh? It's 2 days time to verify whether he has received the opposite party has received the amount or not. I'll list the matter on 15.
My lord.
15.
My lord,
Take-
I am.
take it back.
It
Take
may
it
be
back.
kept. It may be kept on record, my lord. It's a certified copy. It may be kept on record. I am also serving a
Okay,
copy to my
okay.
learned senior.
रख दे, फट फट को. Next.
वो copy टा भी दे दीजिए क्या?
रख दे को, okay. फट फट को, Captain Rekha. Next.
Item 24,
24.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, my application for withdrawal of the complaint petition has been rejected. Your lordship, on the last date of hearing,
Withdrawal.
has been rejected, but that has not been considered by the court below. Your lordship asked the state council, and on the last date of hearing, they said there are no
Why
complaint.
it was rejected?
That my withdrawal application. I want.
Why was it rejected?
It is been rejected that since it is 156.3, it has been already forwarded, so the court doesn't have the power to allow for withdrawal.
Oh.
And your lordship asked the state also, they said the IO has not received any, sorry, the IAC has not received any complaint under 156.3. Thereafter also, again also your lordship last date of hearing said that again sought for the instruction from the state that whether any such
What is that?
application is filed.
No FIR registered. Sorry? No FIR registered. No FIR.
No.
He wants to withdraw it. This one wants to withdraw?
Yes, no, this malab that my original 1cc case says I want,
Oh.
which has been filed in 2016.
What is the application? Where is the land constable petition?
257.
Withdrawal petition આપણે હાથરે એમથી લખી દિયંતુ કે land constable petitioners has filed a withdrawal petition before Special Court
Special Court.
SC Balasar in ICC number 109 of 2016.
Mile.
He further submit that the special court had sent the contempt, this is complaint petition.
Complaint petition.
To Soro police station under
JM
provision
Soro.
of
The JNFC Soro.
नहीं नहीं लिखा है जी बेटा
Order yours here.
स्पेशल कोड लिखा है जी
No, no, it is
हाँ
Page 11. Order.
ओ अच्छा
Learned JMC Soro has sent the complaint petition to IIC Soro PS for registration in
okay record up to the petitioner wanted to withdraw the complaint petition supported with an affidavit. The presiding officer special court Balesar has refused. अरे भाई क्यों बात कर रहे हो भाई सॉरी सर क्यों बात कर रहे हो Soro has sent the complaint petition to IIC Soro PS for registration and investigation as per section 156(3) of the CRPC. Once a criminal court has sent a private complaint for investigation, the court cannot recall the review its own order. Thus, the petition for withdrawal of complaint by the complainant was rejected on the ground of maintainability. Considering that submission made by the land council petitioner and after perusal of the records, this court is the view that the presiding officer, special court Balesar, should have Balesar is directed to allow the withdrawal. Huh? That's all. I'll go on.
at one line. I got the instruction of the IIC, no FIR, no information received from the court, nor any FIR will be registered by the court.
No receipt, no. Land council the state for the submit that there has no, there has not been, sorry, there is no communication from the court to the police station regarding the lodging of FIR. Hence,
No FIR has been registered.
accordingly, no, sorry, registration. Withdraw ଆପଣ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
This is, I don't want to because it has been, my lord,
ତ କାହିଁକି ତାହେଲେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଫାଇଲ କରି? ଫାଇଲ କଣ ପାଇଁ କରିଥିଲେ? ମାଲ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
my lord,
ମାଲ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିବ।
complaint fiction ଟା 1.5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଫାଇଲ କଲା
ହଁ।
ତାପରେ
And since he doesn't want to continue with the that case, he wants to
obliged.
Next,
Item 25.
25.
My lord, may convicted on section 132 and Act 6 months and
Notice any?
my lord,
Notice any?
notice done, but she was taken into custody pursuant to the NBW, my lord.
NBW पे custody नहीं वाला लड़का की कौन करूँ? NBW आप जीवे नहीं कोर्ट फिर
Ready, that's,
issue notice to the opposite party.
I'm ready to pay also compensation, ready.
Opposite party ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖୁ। ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଭିତରେ?
ଭିତରେ
ଆଇ
Lady-
ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
Lady ଟା 62 years.
ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କି?
Yes, my lord.
କୋଉଟା?
Second I number 84.
No. In the meantime, the
Delay
delay କେତେ?
217 days.
delay କଣ? delay କଣ? delay କଣ delay ରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି? Reason of delay?
ସେ counsel for the petitioner was conducting,
ହଁ ସେଇ ଗୋଟେ ତ
ସେ ମରିଗଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ମରିଗଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଚ୍ଛା
ମରିଗଲେ amicus curiae କରିଛନ୍ତି case.
Land council for the petition submitted, the delay is due to the death of the council, the conducting council, And which was
Before the appellate court.
Hmm?
Before the appellate court.
before the
Appellate court.
appellate court.
My-
Hence, there was a delay which is not intentional, according to considering the prayer made by the prisoner, the delay is condoned. And the petitioner is granted bail pursuant to the NBW issued by the land in connection with criminal suspension. Okay.
Authorized, Mother.
Next,
Item 26.
26.
This disciplinary proceedings actually started in the year 1981, my lord, and it continued thereafter, my lord.
What is the allegation against you?
My lord, allegation is that misappropriation of funds, which has not been established because inquiry officer has exonerated the petitioner from all the charges, but without following the due procedure under the provisions, my lord, the service rule, the disciplinary authority, as an interim measure, my lord, that held that the inquiry to be conducted within 2 months. My lord, in the meantime, 15 years passed. They sat over the matter, and now they have, after
For
15 years,
they will not conduct inquiry.
କିଛି ଗଲେନି। My lord, 2 months ରେ
And
କହିଥିଲେ।
by itself it will go necessary.
My lord.
Should be stopped. Inquiry should be, this should be closed.
My lord,
The
19,
person is dead, inquiry was not conducted for 15 years, then what is this?
my lord, 89 ରେ disciplinary, ଗୋଟେ minute, 89 ରେ disciplinary authority କଣ କଲା ନା ଗୋଟେ as if punishment, punitive punishment passed. And in the without that is contravening the statutory provisions. ଗୋଟେ interim ରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ inquiry ହବ by the audit, by conducting audit within 2 months. That is in the year 1989. My lord, 2 months passed. They sat over the matter.
Okay. What do you say?
My lord, they disposed of 97 day. My lord, this is only harassment, nothing else. This is prejudicial.
What do you say?
In the meantime, they have the disciplinary proceeding has initiated.
Sir, 15 years you not complete the
Yes, madam. But they have challenged after 15 years.
They might not have, they have challenged, not challenged, that is immaterial.
Yes, ma'am.
For 15 years, why did you complete?
No, that has not been completed. 89. The completed in 89. 81 that has been initiated and 89 that has been.
Even for 9 years?
Yes, madam.
9 years you will take for discipline proceeding.
9 years କେମିତି?
89
15 years ରେ my lord ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ମତେ punishment.
punishment in view of- they have filed this.
Now what benefit you would have got had it this been dropped?
My lord, ମୋର benefits ହଉଛି ମୋ promotion in the meantime they did not give any promotion. Incremental, my lord, are pending. My lord, I have
Another promotion so many things are done.
promotion.
Just because promotion ଟା କେମିତି post factor ଦେଇ ଦିଆ ହବ?
My respectful,
benefit
my lord, my respectful
Promotion ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଛି ସେଗୁଡା ଦିଆ ହବ ଆଉ କିଛି କିଛି ଦିଆ ହବ।
My lord, my respectful submission is that I got reinstated. ତ ସିଏ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କାମ କରିନି? I got reinstated because of this.
At this stage, well, you got reinstated, you should have got promotion, all these things can't be considered. Simply whatever whatever benefit you have been that is held up, that can be received.
My lord,
I fairly submit if there is gratuity has not been paid in view of this, that may be released. I have no that.
ଆଉ incremental
But increment, how they have promoted and how they have get the increment. And subsequently, in this application, they have filed a miscase. And in view, considering that miscase, Hon'Ble High Court had directed to the board for consideration. And the board has considered the person order on 16/4/2005. 16/4/2005. They have filed this that order also in Annex
my
32.
lord, my
And they have also
representation
in
is
the
Just to I get the feel of the matter. Yes.
my lord,
The dispose of the appeal and modified the original order of recovery and directed to deposit amount of rupees 1,65,000 and declared the
Yes,
suspension period is not in duty.
my lord, ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖେଇବି।
Suspension period को not in duty ବୋଲି treat କରାଗଲା।
ହଁ କରାହେଲା my lord,
Then
ସେଇଟା ସେ 18
ସେଟା
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
is suspension period is not in duty କରାଗଲା। That period goes.
I got reinstated. Why you are misrepresenting?
No, I am
I
not
got
misrepresenting.
reinstated,
Again,
my lord.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମାୟା, ଆପଣ ବା 16 ଅର୍ଡର ଟାକୁ 32 ରେ ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ 96 ରିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରି that may be quashed.
କୋଉଠି ହେଲା 2004
Just let her come.
ଟିକେ
Yes,
ଗୋଟେ
let her.
minute, ଆପଣ confuse କଲେ କେମିତି ହବ?
ଆପଣ
Day, I got reinstated, my lord. My lord, I am suing, my lord.
ଆପଣ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ ଚେୟାର ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ସେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଚେୟାର ଅଛି ନ ବସିକି I don't want to
Right,
pain you.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Yes. See, if that period is not taken as the duty period, then where is the question of the promotion then?
No, my lord, I am stating, my lord. My lord, I got reinstated in the year.
You have been reinstated by how many years?
My lord, immediately after
Immediately means
suspension,
after how many years I'm asking?
my lord, I am suing, my lord.
After how many years you have been reinstated? Yes.
My lord, I am stating, my lord. My lord, 96, I got reinstated, my lord. 1981, they started the inquiry,
So
my lord.
81, you have been suspended from which date?
My lord, I got suspended in the year 1989, my lord.
89, 96.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
And
that
my
period,
promotion
that period is
was-
out of your service.
My lord, my promotion was due from October 92. And in the year 19,
Sir, promotion is not a right. Promotion, if these kind of cases are there,
bow down, my lord.
then if it
My
is not
lord,
a
I
right,
bow
how
down.
can that be occur to you?
My lord, I
To
bow
accrue
down.
the promotion is not something
My lord, I
there is
bow down.
must you'll get
My
it.
lord, kindly see the inquiry report for a
There
moment.
will be DPC will find you suitable, not suitable, all these things are there.
My lord.
Then only promotion is due to you. Otherwise, you say promotion can't be right.
My lord, can I pray, my lord?
Hmm.
Whatever the benefits, financial
That's what I'm
benefits are
saying.
pending.
Whatever benefits accrue
Yes,
to
ma'am.
you, that will be given to you.
Yes,
No problem.
gratuity and pensionary
Yes,
benefits
what
that
that
may
you
be
get.
released.
He
Yes,
is
my
also
lord.
saying the same thing.
Yes, my
He
lord.
is ready to, he's cooperating on that.
This may be quashed and this may be direction may be issued. My lord.
Give a note.
Yes, I have already submitted. All
This is
the
not a
notes.
note. This is a list of that is not called
No,
note.
my lord, I have given the note, my lord.
Where is it?
Detailed note, my lord. I have given and all the judgments are also being given, my lord. Detailed
Then-
note I have given.
ଏଇଟା ଏଇଟା note. ଏ detail note କହନ୍ତି ଏଟାକୁ? ଭଲ note ବନନ୍ତୁ।
ନାଇଁ ପୁରା
ଏ,
detailed note
SHODY,
ନାଇଁ,
SHODDY.
my lord ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ
ଏଇଟା
ଦେଇଛି
scan ହେଇକିରି ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣୁଛି। ସେଥିପାଇଁ
ଆଉ
ତ
ଥରେ
କହୁଛି।
ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି
List of date କୁ note କୁହାଯାଏନି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ rules ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ତା ସହିତ ଦେଇଛି written note ଟା ଆଉ grounds ବି mention ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ
Madam Kumar. କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ପୁରା ଗୋଟେ bunch ଅଛି ସେଟା rules ଟା ଅଛି ତାପରେ ଅଛି written note ସହିତ ପୁରା
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ମୁଁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ଟା କରିନି ସାର୍
ଆଉ ଦେଇଦେବୁ କାଲି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଇଦେବୁ।
ହଁ ସାର୍ one two points I am by your honor's attention. My learned friend has stated that he was suspended on 89.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ସିମ୍ପଲି କହୁଛି ଯାହାର ମୁଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଯାଉନି କେବଳ ତାଙ୍କର ଯାହା ଡ୍ୟୁଜ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ। He is not pressing that also. Promotion ସେ part ଟା
ମୋର pension gratuity ଏଗୁଡାକ ଆପଣ
whatever dues, you
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
don't block the dues.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଖାଇଦେଲ?
I
ଦଉନ।
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦେବି କି ସେଥିରେ ଅଛି
file written argument by short note by
That's what I'm saying. Give
by
a short
Monday,
note.
by Monday.
I'll pass it paper order.
by Monday.
ठीक है Monday दे। फिर Monday आकर Tuesday लग Tuesday आकर लग जाएगा। For that purpose of giving note on this. Otherwise ଆପଣ बोलिए मैं बोलिए।
Yes.
ପାଇଲ? ହଁ ଏତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି। note it.
ନା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତାହେଲେ
ଖାଲି list of date ଦେଇଛି ଏଟା note କଣ ଦେଲି?
ନା, ମୁଁ ଆଉ
List of date
ଗୋଟେ-
is not so important to me. Note.
ମୋଟାର note
Points
ଥିଲା
to
ନା।
argue on facts, point to argue on law, पूरा ଭଲ କରି ବନେଇକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଫେରେ ଦେଡେ। ଫେରେ ଦେ। I'm not accepting that. पूरा properly. Facts, points to argue, 1, 2, 3, 4. Points to argue on law, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I'll do that.
Then your prayer last. Okay. So Monday दे दिया दिया.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday दे दिया.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Please submit on Tuesday for notes only. Next,
grateful my
Item 27.
27.
It is a matter of initially matter from 2002. There is another case of 2017. Well, the short point is that the petitioner services have been taken away by an authority who doesn't have any jurisdiction. Is viceroy in the appointing authority, the secretary has, sorry, the establishment officer has passed this order. That is the short point. Based on that only, Your Lordship, kindly look at the.
Who is for the opposite party?
My lord, I am appearing for the opposite parties on behalf of Mr. Dhananand Mahapatra. This is a year-old matter, my lord, and it is required.
Year old matter ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଆପଣ prepare ହେଇକି ଆସିବା କଥା 2002 matter ଆପଣ ଆଉ time ନଉଛନ୍ତି list the matter on 15 ଲଗାଉଛ prepare ହେଇକି ଆସିବ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ time as a last chance the petition is granted time up to
No, opposite party.
sorry opposite party to come prepared no further time shall be granted. Next 15 next
Much of it.
What? ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ କାଲି ମୁଁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲି ଟିକେ
Already mate Jugal Pandya କହିଛନ୍ତି.
ଏମିତି କରିଦେଲେ easy ହେବ
Jugal Pandya already କହିଛନ୍ତି. I have also.
You have to
Yes, only meantime joined as secretary in some department of Bhubaneswar.
then he can come on that
So but tomorrow he will come. I have already informed him.
because that will be
Yes, that your Lordship's approach is very reasonable and very.
necessary. I should write so many things
And
that might also
yes, yes,
go
that
somebody's
is-
against
that-
you. I
that is
don't want to do
good.
that.
Mr. Pandya has already informed me.
Amicably ହେଇଗଲେ ଭଲ
Mr.
ସେଥିପାଇଁ
Pandya ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ପଣ୍ଡା ମତେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ
ମୁଁ
କହିଛନ୍ତି।
ସେଇ ଆସିଲାନି ସେଦିନ ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହିଲି you have to give him a threat
ଆମଠୁ 10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ବି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ।
that should be recovered. Okay, next
Item 28.
Much obliged.
28
Already in this case, in
ସେ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ନା କାଇଁ unnecessary ଦିନେ ଜଗିବି
ହଁ ସେ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଛାଡିକି ଆସିବେ ତ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା first take up କର
First.
10:30 କର
10:30.
next
Item 28.
28
My lord, in this case, in obedience to my lord direction, we have already served copy to Mr. Tushar Satpathy, appearing for income tax.
ଏଇଟା କି matter କି
That is the income tax reinstatement.
income
Disengagement of employee.
oh
Tushar Satpathy, we have served copy on
you have served the copy
My lord, I have already served.
and okay. non appears for the opposite party ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ମନେ ପକେଇଦେବେ ହେଲା
Aye.
so I'm fixing 115 15 let the matter be listed on 15 the service is complete I don't think the service is complete in matter and Mr. Tushar subsidy has accepted the notice accordingly he is directed to appear on the next date of listing. Next
Item 29.
29
Your Lordship, on behalf of Amrit Mishra, actually we have prepared the rejoinder. The problem is the petitioner is an old man, 81-year-old man. We are unable to get his signature on the affidavit.
Last occasion, they have
Yeah,
also
for the
taken time for rejoinder.
OSIC
OSIC, appearing for OP number 1.
Orissa State
Orissa State Small Industries Corporation.
small scale. Okay.
2 weeks time may be given.
Land transfer petition 6 to its time to file the rejoinder. Is the matter March March 5th.
Publish.
Next
Publish, Your Lordship.
30
Item 30, 31 adjourned.
अच्छा, chalo.
Item 32.
32 32
Item 32.
The opposite parties in this matter by the port trust.
Please, Your Lordship. May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, I am in out of station. So I feel lordship kindly taken up 1 week after I had gone to Koraput, my lord.
Your lordship, on the, if your lordships permit me, on the last occasion, your lordship had asked for the merit list because my learned senior is praying for regularization of service of the petitioner in this case. In fact, on the last occasion, I was not able to show it, but it's part of the record. If your lordship may kindly come to page annexure A by 2 of our counter affidavit.
A by 2.
A by 2, counter affidavit. And then internal page 9 of that.
Nine. Yes.
Yes. Your lordship would find that in para 10, there is a there are list of 5 candidates who were selected. That is there. It has been clearly stated here. My learned senior's client's name does not reflect here. He is also applied under the unreserved category. So based on that, your lordship, he does not find a name in that merit
So
list.
if you are not selected, then what is your ground
my
for
lord-
challenging?
My lord, actually what has happened, my lord, this file was not with me because of I
Let
had
him
gone to.
come. Lord Kansi Pada 2008 ର matter. ଆପଣ file ନାହିଁ ଇଏ
ଆପଣ
ନାହିଁ
ଯେକୌଣସି
ସେ ନାହିଁ
ଦିନ
କଲେ ହବନି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ next week ରେ.
List the matter on 20th ର ଆସୁ. 20th February.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Out and no further time shall be granted to any of the party.
My lord, kindly see the last order.
ଆଉ
ଆପଣ
କିଛି
ଟିକେ
order ମୁଁ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ଦେଖିବିନି. Next,
ନାଇଁ,
next.
ଆପଣ
There
ନିଜେ
ଦେଲି ଗଲା
କହିଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ
ଗଲା. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନାହିଁ ତ ନାହିଁ last order ଦେଖିଲେ କଣଟା କରିବି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନାଇଁ
Next
ସେ
date
ଯୋଉ
ରେ ଆସିବ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ
ଦେଖିବ.
ଆମେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଇନୁ।
ମୁଁ କିଛି ମୁଁ last order ରେ ମୁଁ selection କରିଛି ବୋଲି ଲେଖିଥିଲି।
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡରଟା।
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦେଖିବାର ନାହିଁ। Next date ରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା। ଆପଣ ତ କରିବେନି argument ଫିର last order ଦେଖିକି ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? Time waste.
ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଫାଇଲଟା ନାହିଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ।
Next.
Item 33.
33. कौन से non appears on the last occasion also non appear. Last occasion that is 2/2/2023 non appears. It's in the petition not intended procedure. Next.
Item 34.
34.
On behalf of Mr. Rao, for next week, let's.
2008
matter file is not traceable, lordship. That's
the
why
last
we-
chance the petitioner is granted 1 week time to come prepared and argue the matter. Come prepared to and the last chance petitioner is granted time to get ready for the matter. Like that. List the matter on 5th March.
Oh, bless.
5th March.
Yes.
Next.
Item 35.
For 4 weeks time, my lord. The council on record, my lord. My lord, he has
Sir,
now
2009 matter put
My lord,
4
he
weeks,
has
5 weeks time.
He's in the government panel now. And
So
therefore,
what all
the letter addressed in the address available in the petition, he has written a letter. My lord, the letter has returned undelivered. With some, my lord, he's
Okay,
saying
what
that
do you want? What do you want?
4 weeks time.
Okay, 4 weeks time granted. List the matter on 4th April. Now the next.
Item 36.
36 on the request of 36.
Last occasion non appeared.
No, December. Dismissed. Next, 37.
37.
37. This is filed for compensation. Although the government of Odisha has decided to compensate the person, those who are the victim of the violence of Kandhamai. And in spite of the fact that it has been issued.
So you are in the list of that
Yes,
victim?
I am in the list. Your
Where is the
lordship may
list?
kindly turn to annexure 2, page 16.
Page 60.
Yes. Item number 12, last.
Just annexure to the page 60 could I know?
Annexure 2.
This is
Annexure 2, page 8.
Dihudi Sahi Baptist.
Dihudi Sahi
Baptist. Church. Annexure 2.
Annexure 2, page 16.
Page 2 ରେ page 60.
Page 16 ରେ ଯୋଉ ମାନଙ୍କର ସବୁ ନା ଗୁଡାକ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି।
ନାଁଟା କଣ ଅଛି?
Item number 12, last,
Atom number
12, last.
Baptist Church.
Yes, Baptist Church, Deudi
Deuri
Sai.
Sahi.
Aଜ୍ଞା.
Churches, temples or education institution destroyed in this said violence. फिर ଆପଣ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କପି?
ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ରେକର୍ଡଟା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ସିମିଲାର କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ମାଇ ଲର୍ନିଂ ସିନିୟର ମିଷ୍ଟର ଛିଞ୍ଚଣି ୱାଜ ଆର୍ଗୁଇଂ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ସ୍ନେକ୍ ବାଇଟ୍ ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ବେନିଫିସିଆର ଲିଷ୍ଟ ନାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ କୋଉମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉମାନେ ସବୁ ଆଫେକ୍ଟେଡ ତାଙ୍କୁ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଡେଥ୍ 39 ମରିଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି
ପର୍ସନ ନାହିଁ
ଏଟା ଏଟା ହଉଛି ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିରେ ହଁ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିରେ ବି 339 ଜଣଙ୍କର ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ତିଆରି କରିଥିଲୁ ସେଥିରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଡିସପର୍ସ ହେଇଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଦେଖିବି
ୟାଙ୍କର ନାଁଟା ଅଛି
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରିବି ମତେ 2 weeks ଟାଇମ ଟିକେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
state to verify regarding the destruction property of the petitioner, which is figured in the list of church and temples or place of worship destroyed during the violence, Kandhamal violence in the year 2008. Okay, place the matter on March 12. Next.
Obless.
Item 38.
38.
My lord, on behalf of Ms. Mahanti, and no instruction.
No instruction.
My lord,
What is your name? What is your name?
Dilip Kumar Sahu, my lord.
Samarendra Mohanty.
My lord. My lord, item 43 is same, my lord.
43 is same. ठीक है.
Oblige, my lord.
Item 39.
39.
Even 13 below that crop.
Cutting
Sir.
Item 39 on behalf of Asutosh Misra, may call it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
13.
सब गोटे कैटेगरी पर ना हाँ तो जाओ 13 को जाओ 13 राशि. Next.
Item 40.
40.
I am for opposite party number 7.
Who for the petition? Petitioner?
No.
What are they?
Last time time.
Time not non-appears for the petitioner. As a last chance, only time is granted to the petitioner to appear in the matter. No further time shall be granted. List the matter on March 5th. March 5th. Next.
Item 41.
41.
Lord, in this case, you will merge with PNB, my lord. I have give the
So
notification.
Union Bank of India is merged with PNB. So it has to be changed.
Yes, for newly.
Change.
And I'll change it here. If you also permit, I'll change it here.
No, it has to be by an application.
No, she has filed a petition for making the necessary changes.
So you
Memo.
are the petitioner.
I'm the petitioner.
Okay.
The bank has filed a petition seeking change of the.
No, you should file something. You should file an application for
Filing
change.
memo.
That concerns petitioner to. अपना दरकार नहीं अपना file से fill करिए.
No,
This
memo.
petitioner.
Sir, a memo ta देइछन एटा भूल memo ta देइछन.
Full time.
This doesn't include my bank.
Forget it.
No, I-
It changes.
I'm just bringing you the notice. I filed.
You file that. That concerns for the petitioner to file. Is directed to file an application with the amendment of the cost title. Since the United Bank of India has merged with PNB,
PNB.
and now it is in the new entity has been. खाली सेटिंग लिख दिया.
Andhra Bank, Corporation Bank, United Bank.
कब 19.
19 of this month. Yes, ma'am.
File in the meeting 19. Next.
Item 44.
44. 44. Nandi. Last time कौन?
44 ଟା ସକାଳେ ସେ ଟାଇମ ମାଗୁଥିଲେ ସେ ଟାଇମ ମାଗୁଥିଲେ ସକାଳେ ବୋଧେ
Yes.
Item 44 is there for the opposite party number 3 and 4.
Who is for the petitioner? Petitioner किया ना?
my lord and senior
Last time non appear.
अपना बच्चे थी. Petitioner नहीं.
Petitioner last time non appear.
No, no, please, sir, this is all. आज भी नहीं, फिर नहीं, no issues. Next.
Item 45.
45.
Item number 45, 46, 47,
Hmm.
48. These are all the batch of cases of regarding the PLA Barampur where fraud was perpetuated. We lodged FIR. Everything has been suppressed. Everything has been 45, 46, 47, 48. Then your lordship may see
We look at the 45, 46,
45, 46, 47,
47,
48,
48,
51,
51,
then 93.
93.
Uh,
So let all the matter be tagged together.
It has been tagged together. Your lordship have fixed a date. I have prepared a written note
Okay.
and I have brought that FIRs, everything.
Okay.
Here, because what happened, Molla Lokamana coordination policy.
ठीक है। They would fix alga data hearing by रखी। All the matters be tagged together and be heard analogously. List the matter on 27.
27. Yes.
27. 27. Okay.
At 2 p.m. your lordship have fixed so that.
अच्छा किसी 2 p.m. रे?
At 93 to 2
Okay,
p.m.
27. ठीक है।
93 to 2 p.m.
ठीक है।
सब उड़ा 2 p.m.
2 p.m. कर दे सब। चला next. Next.
Item number 50.
50.
No, sorry.
After lunch, Mr. Authorized on Laxmi port number 2.
Okay. After lunch. List. Pass. 51.
51 टा गला है सर।
52.
52 भी adjourn ही है
53.
Item 53.
I am for the petition of the.
कौन है जी का? Petitioner नहीं?
No.
Oh, upper petitioner. Opposite party?
Opposite party na.
Nanti?
No.
Where is the opposite party? There. Now, I paste for the opposite party. List the matter on say that. लग दे।
A different matter. Honor they not not relating to that.
ठीक है डैड मुझे इतना दे दो से अपना थीवे तो कर दो
आगे।
नेक्स्ट
Item number 54. I am for the
54
petitioner.
petitioner कौन केस है कौन इशू
Permanent local past judgment,
हम्म
which is vitiated in law, have come in appeal.
what is the order passed that vitiates
Vitiates law has not been adhered to.
कौन खेला what is the issue
That is a cashless medical policy was taken. He sustained some injury and hospitalized. In the hospital, after 3 days, he reported that I want cashless system. They denied, saying that no, it is to be done within 24 hours.
okay
So that was referred to the insurance company. The insurance company said that since he has not adhered to the policy conditions, they are not responsible. He came directly to the local court. In local law, what are the infirmities are there? I'll just point out. Local has awarded saying that yes, it's a cashless. You have got the duty to reimburse. Since you have not reimbursed, that shall be the
what are the defects in that policy
defects in the policy. Policy says 7(3).
the policy holder what are the defects pointed out by the your insurance
They are not reported within the stipulated period.
what is
Within
that
24 hours.
how many within 24 হবনি স্যার কেতে আমরা মানে এটা ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানি
We are bound by the contract.
then rightly ଦେଇছি
I am not on that. I know that your also will be taking a view contrary to my view. I am not on that. I am on 3 points. First is he is an advocate. He is not eligible to file a case. That is first point. Second point, 22C subclause 7.
not eligible to file the case काहे की
Again,
काहे की not eligible to file the case advocate ने case file करे मना
it is a cheap remedy. Without intervention of the court, you can come to local law, which is in a
that is fine but you are saying you are an advocate he is not ସେଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେଟା କଣ
bar ଅଛି.
କଣ
Who
bar
are
ଅଛି
suppose who are eligible to come to this court, there is a bar section 12 ଟା ପଢો ମୁଁ ସେଦିନ ପଢେଇଥିଲି ଆପଣ your lordship appreciated
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲି ଗଲିଣି ଆଉ ଟିକେ କରନ୍ତୁ
thereafter your lordship admitted the case.
yes
Criteria for giving legal services की बोलते
ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା so women ଫମେନ୍ ଅଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କହୁନି admittedly he is an advocate who is in receipt of annual income less than rupees 9,000. So an advocate cannot be presumed that he had the income of less than, so he is not eligible. That is first. Second is, in
A ground maximum कटिଯିବ case. A ground maximum case कटिଯିବ. You are right. You are right.
my lord's concerns. But I will place the law.
Who is the opposite party? କିଛି କେହି ଅଛନ୍ତି?
Last occasion they had not come.
Say,
Your lordship
Huh?
advised that I should take out notice press.
Okay. କେତେ ଦିନ ଆଉ ରହିବ? 2020
Speed post I took notice. There was some defect. Again, it was listed on that date. Your lordship was listed.
Okay.
It was not saying that.
Despite completion of the service? Completion କେବେ delivery? କେବେ delivery ଦେଖିବ? କେବେ delivery?
Instead of taking out notice against 2, I took it against 3. That is why lordship was little bit annoyed. Again, peremptory was passed that you filed request today on the
I
same.
understand. Yes. Point देखो.
Opposite party number 2 ପାଇଁ speed post से file
Two
କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ସେ
key,
ତ
two key.
appear କରିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି.
Two key.
Mr. SK Naik.
जी.
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମୋର କିଛି
Counsel for the opposite party, Mr. SK Naik has though entered appearance. He is not present today. List the matter on 20th February. So if the counsel for the opposite party doesn't appear in this court, the court shall proceed with ex parte hearing. 20th. 20th. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ତ?
ନାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ନେବି। Just
ମୁଁ
to
ସାର୍
apply my-
ମୁଁ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିସାରିଛି ଏ କେସ୍ କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫେଭରରେ ଦେବି ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଲର ଦେଖେଇଲେନି ସେଇ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ଦେଇଦେବି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟସ ପଳେଇଗଲା ଏଇ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୁଲ ଅଛି
ମାଛ
ଖାଲି ସେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଆଉ
ଠିକ ଅଛି,
ଡିଫେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ମାଛ ଭଳିଆ।
ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ଆଇ ವುଡ୍ ପାସ୍ ଇନ୍ ୟୋର ଫେଭର ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 56.
56
For the opposite party bank, Lordship.
bang
OP1, yes, Lordship.
which for the this thing petitioner ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ କି
Petition ସକାଳେ time ମାଗୁଥିଲି.
Time ମାଗୁଥିଲି?
ଦେଲେନି ଆପଣ opposite party country.
କାହିଁ ନାହିଁ ସେ ପିଟିସନ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ ରନ୍ କରିଦେବେ ନହେଲେ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ଦିଟା
I-
ଦିଟା
Item 57.
57
On behalf of Mr. MBK Rao, I pay at the launch.
ମାନେ ଆକ୍ଟେଲୋଚନ ହଉ ସେ ରିଗାର୍ଡିଂ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରେୟାର କରିଥିଲି ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଏ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଫ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ବି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ କନଫ୍ରଣ୍ଟିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ହିମ୍ ମୁଁ
ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ
ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
କୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ଯୋଉ
On telephone discuss.
ତାଙ୍କର ଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ଇଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ପଚାରି ଦଉଛି ମାନେ କେତେ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍
15 days next
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ
Item 58.
58
58, my lord, rejoinder or not filing. Took time for filing rejoinder.
2 weeks time granted
Time for the opposite party one.
2 weeks time granted for filing rejoinder. List the matter on 22 February. Next
59.
59 देख लो नाने पे ये ना तो नाने पे
Last time time.
Hmm?
Last time time I get the petition. Notice that this always in.
Okay, list the matter on 22nd. None appears for the petition. Next 60
Item 60.
60 60 23 the matter. 21st February 61
Item 61.
On behalf of Mr. Mohan, I seek for an passover, my lord.
61.
61 years old.
61. Okay, pass over. Next.
Item 62.
62.
I am for the opposite party, number 1.
ये नहीं कि
On the
petitioner
last occasion, your lordship directed to submit petition copy to the opposite party.
सब a copy.
Yes, I have already
Delhi,
given.
Delhi. You want time for filing?
My lord, may I kindly see section 58 of,
Do you want to file a reply or you want to argue?
my lord, appropriate proper party is who is required to be implemented and who is empowered to disburse the medical bill is not made party.
Oh, which is the party?
Appropriate government,
Which is the government, appropriate government?
state government,
କାହାକୁ କରିବେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲେ ଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ କି କାହାକୁ କରିବେ କହିବି ନା ଆଉ
director ESI scheme,
ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଏସଏ ସ୍କିମ୍
my lord.
ଏସଏ କରାହେଇଛି ଯେ
ESI କରାଯାଇଛି ଯେ ESI corporation, ESI scheme. ESI
director ESA scheme. Okay.
my lord.
Lord Council for the petitioner is directed to implement the director ESA scheme. Government of Odisha.
In this case, government of Odisha may not, because the IP is of the state Madhya Pradesh and OP number 1 also of the state of Madhya Pradesh.
So who will be there then?
State government MP.
MP. Okay, ESA director, director ESA. Indore. Indore state है मध्य प्रदेश में भोपाल इंदौर छोड़ती इंदौर sorry तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश रही थी डायरेक्टर ESIC गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश you make him party है ना नेट रो खोजिबे सर एड्रेस बाहर करी पार्टी बनेगा है ना हां लिस्ट मैटर मार्च 14 नेक्स्ट
63.
63
63, my lord, on behalf of Mr. Solesh Samantra, so he is ill, my lord.
आगे केते इल हेबे मो समते छुछाडे
LIC amount
हां
LIC amount payment of LIC amount my lord.
आपण का पे LIC पे
petitioner
LIC ये हां लगो काली काली और इल फिल कहले बोले देखि काली इल कहले खाली 5000 टका कॉस्ट करबी तापर कथा कस्टमर लगो नेक्स्ट
Item 64.
64
My lord, my vehicle is seized, but
सर vehicle सीज ला रीजनल मैनेजर आरबीआई कौन पार्टी है
delete
कौन पे पार्टी है
नहीं से जाइनी नोटिस जाइनी delete माले तांकर उटे सब kind of my lord the settlement has come from them para 11 of their counter para 11
कौन सेटलमेंट
फिर लिखि जंदी लोन पीरियड
एडा लोन दे
हां लोन मो माने गाता एक्सटेंड हे गला मतलब मो पेमेंट देई बैलिनी सो इट इज अंडर देयर स्टॉक यार्ड से लिखि जंदी इटी द लोन
ए लेखा लोके छाडंतु बैंक केसरे लेखा पढा मते पढिबेनी पार्टी रे ओराली काम सरी जीवो आपण कोहंतु आपण केते पैसा रहंतु आपण चुपचाप रह बैंक वाला केते पैसा दे आपण अछि ई बैंक केसरे ई काउंटर रीजन रे पढिबेनी स्ट्रेट एडा कथा वार्ता सर आपण केते
5,02,000.
केते टंका आपण अछि आउटस्टैंडिंग
Outstanding is 5,02,000.
5,02,000
as on 10th January.
as on 10 January
Another installment
so
will be added.
when will you pay
my lord मुसे आई प्रे
केबे देबे
ए 5 लाख
केबे देबे केते दिन भीतर देबे कोन
मु टिके मु 2 लाख दोरी गाटा रिलीज कर दियो तो मु बिजनेस करथिले ए गाटा नहीं
कोन को गाड़ी
स्टेज करे जे 6 चकिया जो छोटो बस मिनी बस
तो ओडे सुनो टोटल 5 लाख समथिंग ना
हां
आपण 3 लाख दियंतु 3 लाख दियंतु गाड़ी रिलीज कर देबो बाकीटा दे देबो 2 मास रे
The account has already become NPA account. We have recalled.
ए सर एनपी भी तो करी पारुछन ना आपण
Total टा दे दिले क्लियर हे गला
नहीं मु
रेगुलर
ये स्मॉल पर्सन ही मैंने भी सुनो तू 3 लाख दे दियंतु आपण इंस्ट्रक्शन दियंतु मु कोनी फोर्स करनी 3 लाख दे देबे आ बाकी रेस्ट 2 लाख टका से रेस्ट पाटो 2 मास भीतर दे दे
हां ओरम गाटा
आपण पाइले पैसा से भी तार गाड़ी चलेला समस्त प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व
because of the different issues.
सर ई सब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नाही आपण सब बेले पैसा आपण को दरकार तांको गाड़ी दरकार दीडा से गाड़ी चलेला तो पैसा देबो कोड पाइबो
Instruction that's next week.
आपण इंस्ट्रक्शन दियंतु नेक्स्ट वीक 2 दिन पर तो लगा
2 दिन तो रखो
2 दिन भीतर मंडे लिस्ट द मैटर मंडे ट्यूसडे कर दो ओके लिस्ट द मैटर ट्यूसडे यू टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन हला मु ऑर्डर किछि लिखो
नहीं
लर्न काउंसिल बैंक टू टेक लर्न काउंसिल petitioner submit that he is ready and willing to pay rupees 3 lakh instantly within 1 week. Within 1 week?
No.
And the rest of them, and he seeks the release of the vehicle so that his, the loan source of income can be revived. Full stop. He also wants the rest of the amount to pay within 2 months thereafter. The learn concept of the bank to take instruction in this matter. instruction. पैसा पाइले कहीं पछरे एलपीए हेबो ये हेबो ताकर ट्रांजैक्शन कॉस्ट कम अछि आपण पुनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट बाहर करिवे न्यूज़पेपर को पैसा देबे सब कथा अछि एते जा करिया अपेक्षा एते सरजिबो काम हां जानतु नेक्स्ट सरजिबो आपण से करिवे सर आपण नै आसीबे नहले ऑर्डर पास कर देबी हां नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट
65.
And for the petitioner, the letter of recovery issued by the Grammar Bank at Annexure 2 is under challenge. The last occasion your lordship has
what is the amount?
69,000 some order.
69,000.
Yes, worship. It was paid.
When did you take the loan?
No, I didn't take any loan. I'm an employee of Odisha Grammar Bank.
Who is your employee?
Yes,
So
I was an employee.
Let her complete his petitioner, na? She is the petitioner.
I was an employee of Odisha Grammar Bank. During 2015, I availed a LTC
LTC.
to go to Port Blair. I superannuated in the year 2017. In 2023, they issued me a notice of recovery stating that an excess amount of 67,000 some odd amount has been paid. You could have gone by train to Port Blair, but you availed the aeroplane.
What are the your entitlement, whether flight or train?
No, there is no train facility to Port Blair.
I know that.
Much obliged,
No,
Lordship.
but nearest station Port Blair is Calcutta ଯାଇଥିବେ ନା?
ମୁଁ କାଲକାଟାରୁ ହିଁ ଯାଇଛି aeroplane ରେ.
हाँ. So they are saying because of the train facility.
They say you should have gone by train.
କହିଲେ ଆମ train line ଯେତେବେଳେ ହବ ସେତେବେଳେ train ରେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତୁ.
2017 ରେ ମୁଁ retire କରିଗଲି. Now in 2023
let it be urgent matter.
urgent ପାଇଁ ଖାଦେବି ନା ନା ଏଡେ କିଛି ଛୋଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା train ରେ କେମିତି train ରେ ଯିବ Port Blair? Port Blair train line ଲାଗିଛି କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା just ମୁଁ appear କଲି ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ time
ଏଟା କେବେକାର matter? 2023.
23.
ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଏବେ appear କଲି
ଆପଣ reply କିଛି ନାହିଁ matter honestly ପଡିଯିବ କାହିଁକି? 1 week time ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଖତମ କର.
ମୋର pension ରୁ ସେମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
କିଛି ନାହିଁ 1 week time ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ instruction ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ ହେଇବ. सर्कुलर से लोक सर्कुलर जे बनी छी तार दिमाग काम करनुतला ट्रेन जाइनि पेट्रोल जानिनि से
नहीं से कहउचंती से सेकंड क्लास से जिबा कथा से
ट्रेन नहीं वो सेकंड क्लास
फ्लाइट रे गला सेकंड क्लास कोड आइला
नहीं जो जाइचंती सेकंड क्लास जो ट्रेन ने जाइचंती जहां मो
कोड जाई एडी कलकत्ता जाई जाइथिले नेक्स्ट
ताको इंस्ट्रक्शन आने कि 24,912 टका से पाया पे एलिजिबल किंतु नै जाइचंती 73,312 टका सेति बा से कहउ
आपण आज म गोटे कथा कहंतु
आज्ञा
आपण एलटीसी अछि एलटीसी रे केवल ट्रैवल पे दिया जाय ट्रैवल नथिंग एल्स ट्रैवल रो होटल फोटल पे दी मिले नहीं हला केते जण जायथिले आपण फैमिली
me along with my family
केते जण टोटल
probably 4 years
4 लोग मैडम एति पैसा हो
नहीं मो जानि नहीं
तो आपण एंटाइटेड टू व्हाट फर्स्ट क्लास एंटाइटेड माने जदी ट्रेन रे गले फर्स्ट क्लास
जहां मो तांको पिटिशन करछि मो आगे इंस्ट्रक्शन
बट जदी नथिबो जोडी ये ट्रेन नथिबो
सर्कुलर कोन कहउछि देखि के तो
सर्कुलर
there are 3%.
सर्कुलर कोन कहउछि
37
रोन सर्कुलर कोन कहउछि
सर्कुलर
मु क्लैरिफाई कर देला आपण सेति की इन्फॉर्मेशन नै गेन मैटर खत्म हो जियो नाले आपण गुरुतबे से लाइन गुरुतबे त आपण
सर्कुलर से माने रिलाय करछन
आपण कहतु सर्कुलर रे कोन अछि
सर्कुलर मो पाखरे नाही है
हां तो नाही तो सर्कुलर पिटिशन फाइल करबे नि सर्कुलर
नहीं सर्कुलर पे मो ताको रिक्वेस्ट करछि बट दैट हैज नॉट बीन गिवन
बट जागे सर्कुलर बैंक रे मिल नथिबो Oh,
no, I don't have it.
28 28 हेगला ने 15 days आपण हिसाब किताब जानना दी बोली
आज्ञा
बैंक रे काम कर बैंक काउंसिल के हिसाब जानिबेनी केम देबो ओके 20 मार्च 12 रे
my item
there is an interim order may be
interim order to continue next
my item second item
second भी आपण भी हिंदी
सेकेंडरी इंट्री ऑर्डर अछि
आपण भी सेमति जाइथिले
हां जाइथिलु रिटायरमेंट रो 5 वर्ष पर करछन ऑलरेडी
हेई तो मु देखु सेटा डोंट वरी बैंक वाले पागल पैसा लोक नेगिरी पळोछन एम्प्लॉय पैसा रे गुडीछन
तर जो को जिवे
Next,
Item 66.
ମାନେ notice ଫେରି ନାହିଁ notice ଯାଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ notice ଫେରିନି
Herini. Okay, the notice is not complete. List the matter on 5th March. Next.
Item
Our
67.
appearance been noted, ma'am.
Hmm?
Our appearance been noted. You know.
Okay, your appearance notice. Like, कागज दे दें तो noted वाला
Yes,
नहीं कागज
yes,
तो धरके
yes,
देवे कोई आमू का note. Yes, next.
My lords, in item 67, there is a noting that respondent 345 address has changed.
Sorry.
In item 67, there is a noting for respondent 345. The address there has changed. So I'll provide the fresh address for that.
I am appearing on behalf of this respondent number 1 and 2. I am led by Mr. Shantanu Saringi, my lord. My lord, in paragraph 2, in their writ petition, they said that they are the pro forma respondent. So I don't think that because they are their person. So I don't think that they are.
My lords, may exempted. I don't have an issue. They're exempted. I don't have an issue.
I am also not issue, my lord. I am only, my lord, your lordship, I am only praying before your lordship that your lordship can dispose of all the matters here and now. My submission is this, that they are challenging two applications. One is application that has not been annexed, that is for exemption of time to pay the decretal amount. That application, according to them, has not been heard and is been rejected. And second application is section 50 of the Consumer Protection Act. So, my lord, these has also not been heard. My respectful submission before your lordship can pass an order directing the state commission to pass to take up the matters, these two applications immediately and dispose it of within a stipulated time.
My lords, the issue is the
My lord,
this
my lord,
1 minute. The state commission,
I am
without
just
hearing us,
shortcutting
has
my-
filed. My lords, before deciding the application, the state commission has already issued NBWs against us.
My lord, NBW, they have stated that courtship action
And now he's
courtship
asking.
action.
Let him.
My learned friend, let me. I am also helping you
First,
out.
let
So
the
that
petitioner
matter
start.
can
If the
be settled.
petitioner
Sir,
state is not the
you just
respondent
hold
state,
on,
please
sir.
calm
Let
down.
the petitioner start. Hold on, your turn will
Very,
come.
very well.
When your
Very
turn comes, you will argue.
Very
Yes.
My lords, the whole problem is we moved these applications. That applications were not decided by state commission. What does the state commission do? They issue warrants against us. They say, why you're not complying with the order? You come personally or we'll issue bailable warrants. They issue bailable warrants against us. They want to arrest us. Now, when this application will be decided, they'll again proceed with the same thing. That is the reason why we came before my lords. We have never denied that we are not going to pay them. We have put in records that the ED has frozen our
What is
accounts.
from the beginning? Tell me. I don't remember.
My lords, what had happened was there was a decretal amount, there was a decree order against us by the state commission
For what?
for paying, either provide them a flat or either provide them
This is
compensation.
basically for purchasing.
So
Yeah.
what happened that there was after the decree was passed, they moved an execution before the state commission. In that, there was a compromise reached between the parties wherein we said that the compensation will be reduced or we'll provide them flat. We tried to provide them with flats. They did not agree with the flats. They said we want compensation. In the meantime, ED has now frozen our accounts. We are unable to disburse the amounts. We moved this information before the state commission. The state commission does not consider this.
What is the amount, total amount you have to pay?
My lords, each would be around 40 lakhs.
Total how many?
They're total 20 people.
In this batch?
Is in this batch.
No,
14 have come. 14 have come before my lords, and 6 are still there before the executing court. So they're total 20 people.
So your difficulties is because the ED has
Yes, my lords.
frozen the account, so
Yes,
you are
my
not able to disburse.
That is the reason we are not able to disburse. So we requested for some time because we are trying to defreeze the account there. We have moved an application before the ED. We are trying to defreeze the account. Until that is not decided, we will not be able to pay them. So that is what we try to bring before the state commission.
How much time you need for that?
My lords, we have moved application. At least we need 6 months time to clear.
Defreeze man, at the time like.
My lords, because the adjudicating authority takes time there.
PML that
Adjudicating authority before Delhi. My lords.
Khan Market.
Yes, my lords. Not Khan Market, my lords. The other one, the first adjudicating authority, not the appellate authority, the adjudicating authority, my lords.
At that spot. Okay.
That is the reason why we made an application and we wanted them to consider this. Instead of considering this, my lords, they issued bailable warrants against us. That is the reason why we had to come before my lords.
At the stage when they came, your lordship, no warrant was issued. Now that must have been a subsequent event. They have challenging order page at page 138.
So what do you want today?
My lords, we want protection. Let the till the meantime, at least we want protection for 6 months.
I'm giving you protection for 3 months.
Yes,
Within 3 months, try to pay that.
I'll try to pay.
And in your lordship may say that is not carrying any interest. The amount settled is not carrying any interest. Your lordship may say it will carry interest.
My lord, how can they say that?
But
How can they say to
From your lordship from today.
how can
How
they say
can
that?
I say so?
My lords, you're not
So
trying
if,
to
if
modify the decree.
that court has not
No court
passed-
has, we
Even
have set together and decided.
just that if that court has not passed an order that to be kept in the interest bearing
No,
account
my
or
lords.
something, how can I pass that?
Then my lord,
I'm doing nothing. I'm only simply saying, let them pay the amount within 3 months.
Yes,
Yeah.
my lords.
Right? That will be better because
at the
otherwise,
expiry of 3 months, they
sir,
might-
unless see,
Yes,
you
yes.
also understand his difficulty.
Yes, yes.
Unless he gets the money, he can't pay you.
I am not on the way, my lord. At
That's
the
right.
on expiry of 3 months, material will stay there. Your lordship may dispose with all this.
Sorry? No. Let the matter be here.
Let the matter be here. We'll pay it
Let it
within.
be here. I'm answering your payment, sir. Why are you worried? I am answering your payment.
Your lordship, it's good, my lord, just should believe with lawyers in us, our conduct. But I don't think, my lord, it is forthcoming.
My lords may keep it pending. We will pay within 3 months. If not,
If
then my
they
lord-
don't pay, I have my means. I'm not
Yes, my lords.
powerless.
Your lordship,
I'm not my means, and I have my own means and ways
basically,
to-
this court is a petitioner's court. That's the
the-
problem.
not necessarily. Not necessarily.
So in the meantime,
This-
there is always a
See,
provision of in the meantime, your lordship.
Tilts in favor of justice, not
My
petitioner
lords
or
always are on
respondent.
the right side, not on the whether
The right
petitioner
side of
is good.
justice, not on the petitioner or respondent.
Left up, right, my lord, 3 months we agree. Your lordship may say that interest will accrue.
My lords, how can they modify it?
It's
I
not,
can't do anything, sir. I simply, he has approached. I'm trying to protect him till that time, and in that manner,
So
your
in that-
interest will also be protected. Don't worry. Your interest will be protected, and he will pay the money. I can't do anything more than that.
your lordship is
Interest
not
will be-
disposing of the matters there.
I'm not disposing because I want to ensure that he pays the money to you. If you want that, I'll dispose. I have any problem.
My lords may
Because, my lord, there is a threat of arrest was there. What the consumer court can do at best, my lord, issue bailable warrant.
Yeah.
Why they came running here? Definitely, they need time.
Hmm.
I understand. They need time. At best, they will issue not bailable warrant.
Okay.
So they need time. Your lordship is inclined to grant time and not on the way.
Correct.
But the generosity or my lord, whatever your lordship is saying, leniency shown by my lord, let them respect that as well.
No, that's what I'm saying. He is saying 3 months.
Yes, my
Let
lords.
him get money. Once he gets money, he will give you, sir.
We are ready to pay, my
No
lords. We are not
further
running away from
Ah,
that.
but
3 months.
Khatam. If they don't pay 3 months, we'll see.
Yes, my lords.
Today is 7th of February, my lord.
Okay, calculate.
6th of May.
My
Okay,
lord.
calculate it.
6th of May. We are here.
7th of May, my lord.
I'm not writing any 7th and 6th month from today. Khatam.
3 months.
Yes, my lords.
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. 3 months from today. Sorry,
Yes, my
sir.
lords.
My lord,
Okay,
make it parted.
The matter pending. That's why I'm saying 7th.
Make
7th.
it parted, my lord.
Yes, now Mr. Chakrabarti.
Yeah, we are
I'm
appearing.
with him.
We are appearing together.
Okay.
You got any other submission, Mr. Chakravarti?
Only
No,
make
Mr.
the matter
Chakrabarti
parted,
doesn't
my lord.
want to say anything.
Only parted, my lord.
Okay, it's part. The petitioner has approached this court. So the present writ petition challenging the order dated 18/12/2023 passed by the State Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission in execution case number 22 of 2021, wherein the tribunal, State Commission has not considered the application for extension of time sought by the petitioner to pay the settled decretal amount. Petitioner has been unable to pay the settled decretal amount due to its bank due to its bank account and properties being attached by the Enforcement Directorate pursuant to order dated 13/3/2023 in proceedings initiated against it on OA number 842 of 2023 on OC number 1972 of 2023. In view of this above submission, the petitioner is granted 3-month time to settle the pay the decretal amount.
Pay the settled decretal amount, my lords.
To settle the entire decretal amount.
Yes.
Huh? And what else?
Our
Either.
main predicament is the order of freezing, which has been before your lordship. at page 120, annexure 4.
Page
120.
It is in the first petition, 120.
120.
120.
Yes, ma'am. That is the order of freezing. No, ma'am, your lordship has just seen that order. Yes, sir.
Where ED has frozen.
Yes, ma'am. That is our main issue. Because of this.
But what can I do?
No, we are just bringing your lordship.
That is what I've written there.
Yes, my lords. And in the
Because of
meantime,
this-
my
because
lords,
of this, because of the the account has been frozen, you have
my
not been
lords,
able
in
to
the
pay.
meantime, the executing court may not proceed, my lords.
In the meantime,
Mhm.
I file question.
My lords had given the interim order last time.
Okay. Then what in the meantime?
My lords, the interim order may continue.
Order will continue.
The interim order passed on which date?
Well, that is, so the order was 8 January 2024.
In January 2024.
It's still next date of the list.
Continue. Till the next date of list. List the matter on May 8th.
Grateful, my lords. Highly obliged.
Grateful, my lord.
Next.
Grateful.
Item 68.
68.
Come to the petitioner, my lord, in item number 68. My lord, this is a matter where your lordships have framed the questions that whether the consumer forum has got jurisdiction to decide a complaint regarding unauthorized use of electricity under the Electricity Act.
Yes.
Which is governed by a direct judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in UP Power Corporation. There, the Honorable Supreme Court has held that since unauthorized use of electricity comes within the purview of Electricity Act and the remedy lies in under 127 appeal before the electricity inspector, the consumer forum does not have jurisdiction. And relying on that UP Power Corporation, our Honorable High Court has also decided the case and settled the principle of law. That is where I'm.
Hey, both of you will be in this virtual mode. Then who will give me the order with the copy?
Order copy is itself annexed in the.
Well, I have
annexed.
Yes.
Here, your lordship, the more question is that, my lord, the preliminary objection, since I am appearing for the private opposite party, my lord, that whether this writ application is maintainable or not, first preliminary questions, my lord. That, my lord, here, my learned friend is, my lord, relying on the decision of the UP Corporation and Anis Ahmed.
Okay.
My lord, principle is that whether consumer court are restrained to entertain any application
Or not.
or not, my lord.
Okay. Now what is your answer?
In this decision, Supreme Court has
Ette lamba puni. What is your answer? Straight away. What is your answer?
That, my lord, yes, Supreme Court has categorically passed order that Consumer Court as well as the Electricity Board, Electricity Act are both are special statute. Even the Consumer Court has given a priority in so far as the Electricity Act is concerned, so far as giving justice to the consumer.
Give me the copy.
My lord, they have annexed. So I'll file, my lord. I'll file also my counter because today I have given.
File your counter quickly. File your counter. Place the matter on 5th March.
Yes.
In my view,
my lord,
what I feel, because Consumer Protection Act is a people-centric, People's Welfare Act, it should always have the power to even decide the electricity issue. This is what my belief. I don't know what Supreme Court says.
So far as the factual aspect,
And I'm strict to my belief. I'll pass order accordingly. You go to Supreme Court if you're not happy. Okay, next.
My lord, interim to continue, my lord.
Your lordship may modify the interim order because the interim order is passed in favor of the consumer that electricity should not be disconnected, and now only status quo order may be passed.
Okay, in the meantime, the electricity connection of the present petitioner.
Opposite party number 2.
Opposite party number 2.
Opposite party number 1.
Shall not be disconnected. Hello. Till the next date of listing.
And my lord, the other interim order that proceeding will remain state, my lord, that may be there.
Okay.
That your lordship have passed, already passed. On 10th of January, that may be continued.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Item 69.
69.
Ma'am, in this case, the notice has been made sufficient. At flag X, there is the tracking report.
Sorry?
This matter related to the State Cooperative Bank in which the petitioner has made a substantial payment, but in the...
Which for the bank?
Yeah, paper.
Bank appear na kala kono? Okay. କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଥିଲେ ଲୋନ୍?
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି
ଲୋନ୍ କେତେ ନେଇଥିଲେ?
loan was 60 lakh.
60 lakh.
I have paid another 14 lakh is pending.
Pending.
But they have, in the appeal, they have stated is 53 lakhs. My payment has not been taken into
କୋଉ ଇୟରରେ ନେଇଥିଲେ ଆପଣ?
2009.
ଅନ୍ୟ ଇୟର ଇଏ ହେବନି ପୁଣି ତାର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା ହେବନି? ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବି ତ ଅଛି ନା? କାଲକୁଲେଟ ଏତେ ବର୍ଷର ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ।
ନାଇଁ, as per their version, while making
Anyway, let the opposite party counsel come. Non-APS for the opposite party, bank. List the matter on 15. 15 लोग की अच्छी counsel ताऊ inform कर दे. Next.
Item 70.
70.
I appear in virtual, my lord. My lord, we
Yes.
have filed application for impleading State Bank, the Reserve Bank of India and SEBI. And we
Yes.
have another application, my lord, which I don't think my learned friend can have objection. I am saying, my lord, in the interim,
Yes. Your voice is not audible, sir. The implemented application filed by the
my
lawyer
lord,
counsel for the petitioner is allowed. Accordingly, notice is issued to the and let a consolidated cost title be filed along with this. File is consolidated cost title
By tomorrow.
by tomorrow.
there is another application, my lord.
Let notice be issued to the opposite party number 4 and 5. The newly implemented opposite party number 4 and 5.
And other I, my lord.
And Rohan to sir, gote pare gote na. What are you like in the 4 and 5? And registered, let the newly implemented party be served by registered post. Registered post. The request will be filed within 5 days from today. Within 5 working days from today. One good gala. Tavra next.
I have filed an application, my lord, very innocuous application saying that the demat account that they're not permitting to draw, my lord, maybe put in a fixed deposit so that both the parties are not prejudiced. That's all.
My lord, so far as this application is concerned, copy was served on me yesterday, my lord, in the night.
So let him
My lord,
take instruction
Let me
on
take
that.
instructions and
Monday, my lord.
Learned concept of the bank, Mr. Rajit Roy, as while answering to the I number, the prayer made in I number 2014 of 2024, submits that he has to take instruction from the opposite party bank. Accordingly, 1 week time is granted to him to take instruction.
My lord, my respectful submission would be subject to whatever my learned senior says. Let this application lie over. Let SEBI let them enter appearance.
Then the thing is, I'm just to take instruction. It is lying over. It is not
This is
getting
an innocuous prayer.
disposed.
My lord, no one is
No, no,
prejudiced.
It is not getting disposed
Yes,
of.
but
It
only-
is lying over.
Yes.
Only thing is just you take instruction on that. Let it come on 19.
Yeah.
Allah. You take instruction on that. After that, we will see.
Item 69, interim order to continue.
Next,
Item 71.
71.
Ex gratia compensation matter, my lord.
Ex gratia compensation.
My lord.
कौन है ला?
The OP number 4 and 5 have filed their counter affidavit. But
कौन है जी सर कौन तो आगा?
Lord, the petitioner.
Counter agenda छाड़ा तो सीधा
Yes,
कौन
yes.
तो point को
Yes, I am come.
अब इतने
Yes,
technicalities करे
my
लाभ.
lord, my lord.
कौन है जी कौन?
The petitioner was working as an employee under the Forest Development Corporation.
OFDC.
My lord.
OFDC.
While working at such, he was deployed on election duty in the year 2004 as an polling officer under Annexure 1.
Okay.
His name has been shown under Annexure 1.
ठीक है.
Thereafter, he was relieved from his duty on 17th and he was asked to join in the before the concerned election officer on 18th. On 18th, he joined before the concerned election officer. And on the very day, he fell ill. And on
Fell
other-
ill.
My lord, he was suffering from, as detected, and he was suffering from brain malaria or
Brain
something
malaria.
of that sort.
Okay.
Then he was relieved from election duty on 19/4, on one day after. And was also discharged from the one hospital, government hospital on 19/4 also
सर
discharged.
सीधा पॉइंट को आसो ना कौन हला फाइनली कोन आ
Final
केते
ହେଇଛି-
डिस्चार्ज हला ये हला से हला कहवा जे
ଟିକେ
सीधा
ଖାଲି
कोन
କହିଦେଇକି ତାପରେ କହିଦଉଛି।
then what happened? He died.
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
He died.
ହଁ, he died.
Because of this ill.
During course of treatment, after 10 days, he died.
So,
And he approached the authorities. Authorities sent a recommendation to the that he is being insured by the joint insurance by the state government and central government. That fact came to the knowledge of the insurance company, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company, who said that this the death does not arise and in course of his duty, because he was relieved from the duty on 19/4. And he expired on 29.
relief from duty means what? Election केबे थिला?
इलेक्शन थिला जायकि 30 तारिख रे थिला,
हां
से किंतु 18 तारिख रे जॉइन कला से तांका पाखरे इलेक्शन ऑफिसर को पाखरे।
टिक
आज्ञा,
स्टेप बाय
आज्ञा।
स्टेप तोर होबी ये ओएफडीसी छाड़ी गिरी गला
16 तारिख रे
16 तारिख इलेक्शन थिला
इलेक्शन थिला तार 8 दिन परे
8 दिन परे से गला तापर इल केबे हला
एला 18 तारिख दिन जो दिन जॉइन कला सेठी कंसर्न इलेक्शन ऑफिसर को पाखरे से दिन इले हला।
माने that means he was under the disposal of the election commission.
आज्ञा,
right?
आज्ञा।
And that happened during that period.
एवं सी while undergoing treatment 18 रे से पडिला 29/4 रे मरि गला। 29/4 रे मरि गला। से इंश्योरेंस ओम्बुड्समैन पाखु भी जाइथिले, इंश्योरेंस ओम्बुड्समैन 1 लाख अवार्ड करथिले, किंतु से लेटर आसी पहुंचला बेलकु से लाख टंका भी रिसीव करि पारि नाहंती। एटा होची कथा। से कहउचंती सोल क्वेश्चन होची डज नॉट अराइज आउट ऑफ एंड इन कोर्स ऑफ हिज ड्यूटी।
केम ड्यूटी रहला ना से इलेक्शन ड्यूटी जाइछि से पीरियड मरछे इन कोर्स ऑफ ड्यूटी केंदे होबनी
सेटा म कहउछ।
The person has joined that was under see because of the election the employees become the they are
My
the
lord.
disposal of the election
My lord,
commission.
my lord, my
And
lord.
during that time that is a duty period. How
My
can you
lord.
say it is not duty period?
My lord.
Maybe on deputation
My lord,
for a short time.
my lord.
It was duty period.
That is
How
my
can you
point.
say it is not duty period?
That is my point before your lords.
What is the total amount of the claim you should get?
My lord, total claim is 10 lakh, my lord.
10 lakh.
10
दिया
lakh.
तो 10 lakh.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
10 lakh दिया तू.
ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା କର୍ପୋରେସନ
ଆପଣ କାର
Insurance
ଆମର
person.
ଯୋଉ opposite
our corporation insurance company ki
Nobody is nobody has appeared.
which for the insurance company let the insurance company come party करछिन
ପାର୍ଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ
Yes, they have
ये
filed their
co
counter
insurance
annex.
ICICI Lombard.
ICICI Lombard ये की अछि की
Counter OP5
ICICI Lombard की अछि अरे देखु न की अछि काउंसिल
जयशंकर
हाँ?
मिस्टर जयशंकर
की
मिश्रा
अछि जयशंकर मिश्र कॉपी दिन
Mr. Adam Ali Khan can also appear.
की आदम अली
Adam Ali
Mr.
Khan.
Adam Ali Khan or Jayashankar Mr. any of the council who usually appear for the ICICI Lombard
My
may
lord.
be served a copy within 3 days from today खोजंतु दे दंतु
My lord, my lord.
it is the matter on 15 days
15?
15
My lord.
February 15
In a similar circumstance, this Honorable High Court has also
बिल्कुल दिया बस सर माने इसे कोन ता निज घर काम कर जाइतिला गवर्नमेंट रो इलेक्शन ड्यूटी के हाजर्डियस काम माने करती ताऊ दिया हबनी during that
government
period
has
time
paid 43 lakhs in
33
premium.
तो आवरे अधिक अधिक चलो
43 lakhs premium, my lord.
let them come
Government has paid 43 lakhs premium.
we'll see से माने एटा ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस थाए ना ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस थाए जे बेरो से मिनिमम अमाउंट पाइबो ना
Your lordship has fixed it.
15th
15 बरा next
72
72 केनादी माने पेस तगला पेस अगर कौन
72 अर्जुन नहीं
dismiss करो on the last occasion also non appears the last occasion like what it last occasion so take it 25 1 2024 hala dismiss next
73
73 गोखा बेहरा ये ना এটা কোন হ্যাঁ টাইম নেবে appear করিবেনি non appears in the matter a last chance is granted to the petitioner to appear in the matter failing which the court shall pass ex parte order. Next.
Item 75.
75. 75. What is the issue?
Issue express a compensation. While the husband of the petitioner was,
कौन है लाइक on the straight come to the point what happened?
the husband of the petitioner was sleeping in the house or snake was
Snake biting. Snake biting. PM report.
PM report is your lordship may kindly say.
Fine.
I have given.
RI report रखी PM report कहीं?
Running page 8.
8.
Starts 8 and relevant page is 9. They have never disputed that this is
ठीक
not.
है, let for my satisfaction I have to know ना. Co-line है इसमें.
Cause of death. The cause of death due to snake bite. However, visceral.
So what happened? Visceral report कहते हैं सब वर्ष लगे 2023 रोटा. Aguilan conspiracy the state to take the visceral report within within 2 weeks from today. List the matter on 6th March. Hello. Check the visceral report. Saying what is the paiva or con? Next.
Item 78.
78. 78.
May I please, my lord. My lord, I may be permitted to appear on behalf of Mr. Arupananda Goswami.
Arupananda Goswami Swamiji kuda dekha jaଉଛି naata.
My lord, he is fallen.
What is the issue?
I have received the counter. I may be permitted to press my matter, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. With the compensation for funny compensation matter. Funny compensation matter.
Which district? Puri.
Yes, my lord. Puri district, my lord. What has happened, my lord, here? I have there is 2 inquiries conducted by the government. One
First inquiry, there is complete damage.
Yes,
You
complete.
are beneficiary. Second inquiry, they are disputing. That is the fact.
Exactly,
Okay.
my lord.
What is your answer? Answer.
Yeah. Initially, a report was prepared by the local person, that Sarpanch, ward member and all.
After how many? What is the gap between the two?
2 years, my lord. 2 years.
2 years. 2 years. लोग कौन घर भंगा के बसते हो? भंगा करे चका जाना.
Here what?
आओ बाकी टाइम से जार in the order mu duitina dechi diyo.
Yes, my lord.
Because we have received number
Same
of
order.
complaints.
Kichi number.
Again,
Yeah,
inquiry
they
was
have-
conducted and found
My lord,
that
similar order here there. Shanti Bhumi.
Order mu pass करছি already.
It is there.
Similar order. Yeah.
Another judgment is also there, my lord. That is Harsamani
ये दरकार नहीं.
Kant.
Okay. Order pass. जितने बार दे दियो. कितने claim? 2 लाख.
85,000
अपन ये देगा.
95,100 थिला 10,000 ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଉ
अच्छा दे बाकी rest of the amount दे देगा. हाँ. Okay, next item.
I look at
Item 79.
79.
May I please your lordship, I am for the petitioner to VC, my lord. In this case, my lord, the petition has become infructuous, my lord.
Infraction plan transfer the petitioner. Next.
My lord, I am for the opposite party. My presence may be required.
Next.
Item 80.
Section 133 proceeding had initiated when civil court is in session of the matter. So the civil, the 133 proceeding law is stated that civil 133 proceeding cannot be initiated when civil court is in session of the matter. Well, Lordship kindly see very short but a very short note.
Which
But
one?
I will not place the note. But Lordship kindly turn to page 25. I will only show 2-3 sentences. That will be
Page 25.
page 25. It will help you. Yes, sir. It will help you Lordship to
Yes.
dictate.
Which paragraph?
My lord, third paragraph.
Third paragraph.
From the documents enclosed to this case record, it is evident that CS number 25 2019 2009, the civil court declared the OP as the rightful owner 2P means present petitioner of the case land. The state collector Ganjam has preferred an appeal in the RFA number so and so. The Court of Additional District of Chhatrapur. And Honorable Court allowed the appeal on contest and passed the judgment on 30th 2015.
What happened? I don't know. Can you just from the beginning? Can you?
So only what happened, my lord, petitioner had occupied the land and he had filed a suit for declaration of title. Petitioner had possessed a land, and that petitioner had filed a suit for declaring his title. Well, the suit was decreed.
When you purchase the land, that way not.
No, not purchased, possessed, my lord.
Oh, possessed.
Possessed.
Purchase the land from where?
From the state actually. So the state government project, but the suit is declared for adverse possession. Adverse possession. So suit was decreed.
In your favor. Where is that suit decree?
That judgment not, but there is a second appeal, my lord. The second appeal is before lordship will call for the second appeal. All the but I am just only one sentence, my lord. After that decree, my lord, the collector preferred appeal. Appeal was allowed. Challenging that, second appeal has been filed, second has been admitted, and interim order has been granted. Status quo order has been granted. Status quo is second appeal is pending for this honorable court. So what happened, my lord, in this particular case, in section 144 procedure was initiated. That order was challenged before this honorable court. This honorable court set aside the order and said that you appear before the authority for fresh adjudication. But they did not appear. The 44 proceeding was not continued thereafter. Thereafter, immediately 1 month after, they initiated a 133 proceeding. 133 proceeding when I had the decree in my favor. When I had the decree in my favor, at that point of time, they initiated a 133 proceeding. They preferred appeal. They kept the proceeding for more than 2 years pending without even fixing any date for hearing. This is the apparent and false record. Thereafter, when they succeeded in the appeal, immediately they moved the court, moved the magistrate, and the magistrate has passed this order. My humble submission is very short. The judgments are also there. That when the civil court is session of the matter, cannot be the 133 proceeding is not be maintainable. And civil court, of course, during that particular point of time, civil court, second appellate court, there is no interim order because second appellate is admitted. But immediately thereafter, status quo has been granted. And in this case also, status quo has been granted by this.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Misra? You are there? No. Who is your appeal?
Yes, state is the object party. 80. State is the object party.
Copy दिया है नहीं बोले शेनर
कॉपी क्यों दियो मैं कॉपी सब
कॉपी दे दे
2016 में कॉपी दिया नहीं एंट्री मॉडल आया सेमन पर नहीं चंदी
कुछ चेंज चाहिए
डेट पर सेमन नहीं चंदी
आउट दे दे तू
हम आउट दे दो
not disabling my
7th March
copy
कॉपी दे दे तू
एंट्री मॉडल पे कंटिन्यू
नेक्स्ट
Item 81.
ये लेट्स बी पिचिंग टू
7th March
मच ऑब्लेस
नेक्स्ट
Item 81.
81 तुम अच्छा तुम्हारा टाइम ना वो फिर
टाइम फाइल वाज मिसप्लेस्ड
हां टाइम कोई वो आना तो अच्छे ना
Let's can give a short date, Milord, because two applications are there.
urgency there.
No, sorry, Jantan. The eternal time is
28 out time na bani alla asa tana like asa lal pattern for the asa our senior ko mu yav adjournment magi mate pathantu ni mor na be bodali galani like
डर लाଗୁଛି appear करिया ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି
Milord say posted to 28th man.
28 82
I am permitted to place on behalf of Mr. Karnakar Gai. On behalf of Mr. Karnakar Gai, power is not there.
okay press
Now, what happened in this case? The present appellant is the mother of the respondent one.
what is your name?
My name is.
Your name is your thinking? Why are you thinking about your name?
My name is Bitas Kumar Swai.
ଏବେ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ନା କହିବା
The present
ପ୍ରୀତେଶ
Bitas BITS.
ବିତେଶ ମାନେ କଣ
That I don't know.
ମାନେ କଣ
That I know. ବାପା ତ ଦେଇଛି.
ବିତେଶ ବିତେଶ ନା ତ ମାନେ ନା ବିତେଶ କୁମାର on,
The present
argues on behalf of Mr. Karunakar Gaya. Huh? Okay, what is the case?
the present appellant is the mother of the respondent number 1 and mother-in-law of the respondent number 2.
The mother of respondent number 1 and
Mother-in-law of the respondent number 2. File a DV miss case before
File a
the
DV miss case.
London JMFC Nimapada Under-
Yes.
under section 12 of the DV Act, my lord.
The
The London JMFC allow the same and directed to deposit a sum of rupees 5,000 to the present appellant. Challenging the said order, present respondent approved before the London districts and the London districts were set aside the order for which I filed this revision
Setting
application.
what?
Set aside the order.
Pura stated na
Yes, sir.
modify hai nahi,
No, pura set aside on the
Why?
ground that
on what ground?
section 3 of DV Act not made out. my lord.
Why?
You'll also kind of the
What is the section 3 of DV Act?
section 3, my lord.
Panantu,
Yes, lord.
kai DV Act kai? Panantu, kaun lagi?
Definition of domestic violence.
Yes, read it.
My lord, for the purpose of this act, any act or omission or commission or conduct of the respondent shall constitute domestic violence in case it harm or injury or endanger the health and safety, life, limb and well-being, whether mental or physical, of the aggrieved person, or tends to do so, or include causing physically. So,
What କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତ widow ଭାବୁଥିଲି
I am not doing it.
widow
I am not
getting
doing
pension
it.
କେତେ ପଇସା ପାଆନ୍ତି
10,000.
ଆଉ ଫେର ପଇସା କାଇଁ ନେବେ କଣ କରିବେ 10,000 ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କଣ
Husband
ପଇସା
is getting pension, but I am not getting.
ବଢିଆ ସେ ଠିକ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଛି no change ସରି ଏ ପାଠଟା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ ମୁଁ 2,000 ଟଙ୍କା କରିବ ମାସକୁ ପେନସନ ବି ଗଣ୍ଠେଇବେ ଏପଟେ ବି
I am
ଗଣ୍ଠେଇବେ
not getting pension. My husband is getting pension.
ସାର୍ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖୁନି କି
The husband is staying separately.
ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ 2,000 ଦେବ ପୁଅ 2,000 ଦେବ ସବୁ ପୁଅ 1,000 ଦେବ ହେଇଗଲା
That order may.
ହଁ very good ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି ଏବେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ ଛାଡ ଆସିବି ଦେଖ
Sir, there is another son, he should be included.
I am staying with my another son because
ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ରହୁଛି ତାକୁ ସେ ଦେବନି
No, sir.
ସେ ରହୁଛି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ
Sir, all are come and give an affidavit that he was staying, now he was.
how many sons you have
Two sons.
two sons one husband
That this son is also an agent of LIC. there.
ଓ ହେଲା LIC ତା ପାଖରେ ରଖି ସେ ଖାଇବା ପିଇବା ଦଉଛି ଆଉ କଣ
That is
ଅସୁବିଧା
the issue.
ବଡ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟେଙ୍ଗରସ୍ ହେଇଥିବ
Sir, fantastic.
କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟେଙ୍ଗରସ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିଟା ବଡ
Yes.
sir ହେଲେ ବି ତ ସିଏ ବି ତ ମୋ ପୁଅ।
He is a laborer.
anyway କିଏ ଲେବର
Now the
କିଏ ଲେବର
Present respondent.
respondent.
ଏ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମ ରେ ପୁଅ କିଏ
Other sons.
ଅଦର ସନ୍ ବୋଲେ କିଏ
Udayanath Sahu.
ଯାହା ପାଖରେ
ନାହିଁ।
ସପ୍ କରିଛି ପରା
His shop is demolished after super cycle. COVID.
Shop ନାହିଁ,
That
ସେ
is
କଣ-
COVID after COVID.
କଣ କାମ କରେ
ସେଇ ସାର୍ କଣ ବୁଲିବାଲି କାମ କରୁଛି
ହଁ?
ଲେବର ଭଳିଆ ବୁଲିକିରି ଏପଟ ସେପଟ କାମ କରୁଛି କୋଉ ଦୋକାନରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ଏମିତି କରୁଛି।
He making a third case or there is no
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ ତମ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ରୁ ନେବ ମ ଏତେ
There is
କଥା
no
କୁଆଡେ
credit.
ପୁଅ ପକେଇ ଦେବେନି ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଯଦି ବଞ୍ଚି ସେ
ନିଜରେ-
ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କଣ ସରକାରୀ ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲେ ନା
ସେ ଏବେ
ହଁ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲେ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିବ ପେନସନ
Pension.
ୱାଇଫ କୁ ମିଳିବ ନା ତ ସେ ତ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ର 10,000 5,000 ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ ଦେବ ଖତମ ଏତେ କଥା କୁଆଡେ
labor କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି pleading ରେ ନାହିଁ।
ତ
Pleading ରେ-
ପାଟିବ ନା ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କୁ ପାଟିବ ନା ବନେଇଛ husband କୁ ପାଟିବ
Trial
ନା
court ରେ- trial court ତ
ଓ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ ବନେଇନ
Sir, that is the doing mischief.
ବଡ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସିରିୟସ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିଟା anyway I'm modifying that order of this thing କୋଉଟା but husband को ये करने में husband को देवो नहीं कोई it is a problem at this stage revision stage I'm not interfering simple
You'll also kindly simple.
I'm not interfering rightly passed not interfering.
You'll also kindly.
Sorry, sir.
Another
No,
day,
no,
I'll
no.
satisfy the second. JMFC have
କିଛି
category.
JMFC order को हाई कोर्ट तार अपीलेट कोर्ट बड़ा ना JMFC बड़ा
Husband sir, husband
जा हस्बैंड को मांगो, हस्बैंड को मांगो, किसी को रिबनी, हस्बैंड को मांगो। I don't have scope.
Section 3.
It is repetition हो जो कोड़े कागज भी कर दे, repetition इतने scope है ना, I can't if person party नहीं ताको भी तो कर पे नहीं।
Sir, section 3 also interpreted by the law and JMFC court.
What is
Paragraph 7 law.
I find I find the order passed by the this learned kid appellate court doesn't suffer from any infirmity, hence the criminal revision is dismissed. Okay, dismissed.
Item 83.
अगर अच्छी पुलिस पाखु जा पुलिस पाखे जाई फाइल करो हस्बैंड देउनी बोली जो हबो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस पुलिस पाखु भी जाई परिबो फाइल करो हस्बैंड दउनी बोली माग हस्बैंड फाइल करो हस्बैंड को डर थबो सेलेडी ओके लेट्स सी ओके किछि नाही 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 से पिजरा गोटे ये लेबर काम करछि तो हस्बैंड तमरो ये करछि से for any kind of interference from this court. Sorry. Next.
Item 83.
82.
83.
83. 83. 83. Brindavana Bhoi.
I'm for the opposite party in this case.
You're for the opposite party?
Non-appears. Last okay.
Non-appears. On 2nd February 2024 also non-appears. It's in the petition. However, petition is granted 1 month time, 30 days time to file a restoration application if any cause of action survives. Next.
Item 84.
84. 84.
Item 84.
84.
But for opposite party, my lord.
9 petitioner.
Last date.
Last occasion no.
Same order. 85.
85.
9. देखो 85.
Non-appeal.
Same order. 86.
86 lordship. Mr. Pradhan has expired lordship. The council, Mr. Pradhan expired come.
अरे केबे तो एक्सपर्ट को एडा पर आपण सांगर अछि परे आपण ना अछि
नहीं मना नहीं
नहीं
ना
you
I'll take the brief and
since the council for the petitioner Mr. Pradhan has expired in the meantime the what is your name
Akash Bhuin.
Mr. Akash Bhuin seeks to take instruction from the client. Okay, at least in
What a master
20th March.
Obliged.
ठीक है.
Item 87.
87.
Last one, the opposite party has take time. Here is my lord challenging the order passed by the SDM and confirmed by the ADJ.
What is the order?
Amount is 6,000, my lord. The lord
6,000 by the JMFC. 6,000 by the JMFC.
JMFC.
And it's confirmed by the ADJ.
ADJ confirmed. The your lordship
You are for the
I'm the husband, my lord.
husband. So why have you come here?
My salary sheet, your lordship the
How much salary you got?
6,240 rupees.
6,240 rupees. कौन काम करोगे?
I'm the operator in the private company, my lord.
इतने कम तो दोनों.
Executive one, my lord. Page 14 of the judgment passed by.
Yeah, दो इतने old सेटा ही थी वो. 6,000 को private company अबे की काम कर छे. Minimum 10,000 9,000 वाले की कम. अबे minimum पर अपन का minimum wage. सीधे से हिसाब कर minimum wage state रखते सर. State रखते minimum wage. कितने?
10,000 above भाई.
अब कौन तू? से कौन तू? Minimum wage कितने सर? State रा? State रा अबे minimum wage कितने? Unskilled पे मैं पूछ. आइए तो कौन कहले आपण?
Operator.
हां? आपण कौन कर ऑपरेटर तो स्किल हो. स्किल रे जीवो. स्किल रे केते?
That नहीं. Yes, play my lord. Order.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ଚେକ୍ କରେ ଆମର ସତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଜଣା ପଡିବ ନା ଆଉ ହଁ ସେ ତ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ କଣ ହବ ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ପ୍ରାଗ ଐତିହାସିକ ଯୁଗରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ
Court order.
ହଁ କୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡରଟା କଣ ହେଲା ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଏବେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କଥା ପଚାରୁଛି ନା 400 400 ହେଲେ ବି 30 ଦିନକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 12,000 ଟଙ୍କା ହେଲାଣି ଆଉ ଆପଣ 6,000 ଟଙ୍କା କେମିତି କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
4,000 ଟଙ୍କା ହେଇଯିବ। 4,000
4,000 ଦେଇପାରିବେ 6,000 ରୁ 4,000 କେମିତି ଦେବେ
6,000 ଟା stay ହେଇଯିବ।
হ্যাঁ
6,000
4,000 দেবে তো ওকে মডিফাই টু 4,000 আর অপোজিট পার্টি কে না দি despite notice served on the opposite party non appears this court uh, deem it appropriate to pass an order expert full stop with the order final order the petition sorry the present the petitioner is agreed by the order dated which order sir
No.
order dated
Ready
ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ରଖନ୍ତିନି
My lord,
ଏଇଟା ରଖନ୍ତିନି ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଲଗେଇଦେବେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ
additional district session just ଚାଲିଛି.
additional district session যে চালছে wherein the said court has passed କୋଉ paragraph
30
paragraph
ମାନେ conferring judgment ହେଲା 30/2018 ଆଉ SDM ହେଲା first
sir ଏଇଥିରେ paragraph କେତେ
page 17 your lordship page 17 passed by the SGM page 17 para 7 page 17
wherein the SDGM চালছে the first the respondent wanted director to pay compensation of 20,000 for injury caused to the aggrieved person due to domestic violence and a 3,000 rupees maintenance has been passed which was appealed before the additional district session judge Talche in criminal appeal number 08 of 2018 wherein the said appellate court had extensively dealt the issue in hand and came to the conclusion that it confirms that order
confirming
and confirm the said order. Now what do you want?
your lordship would
3,000 per ଦେଇଛି
ମାନେ
3,000 ଦେଇଛି
3,000 but residence fine 3,000
ଆଉ 3,000 ଦେବେ
ହଁ
6,000 total. So you want it to be
100 मतलब 4,000 3,000 मतलब
4,000 देବେ. So the in the fitness of thing and considering the you are really working as a your
that time method that time
ଏବେ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଏବେ I have no instruction about
ଏବେ instruction ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର କାହିଁ କରିବି ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଭଲ କାମ କରୁଥିବେ ଅଧିକ ପଇସା ପାଉଥିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖ ଏତିକି ରଖିଦେଇଥା in the meantime at this juncture land council so how at this juncture land council petitioner six to take the instruction regarding the present status of employment of the present petitioner ହେଲା ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ
Monday
Monday Tuesday ଆଉ ଯଦି ବେଶୀ ବେଶୀ ପାଉଥିବେ ତା 3,000 ମୁଁ କାହିଁ କରିବି next
Hello.
okay after lunch information has been proved. In the light of this, there is no need to interfere with the findings of the tribunal. Thus, the appeal is dismissed.
I agree.
The other, I think that's actually to be, by mistake, that's a judgment heading has come.
No, it has come as to be mentioned.
Then why are you saying?
So I have a small submission here, Mlods. Now, originally, Mr. Tushar Satpathy was appearing in this case as the senior standing counsel.
Okay.
In the meanwhile, my lord, my
There is
learned
change,
friend,
there is change.
again, Mr. Mahanti has
No,
subject.
only thing, to mention, only thing that because by mistake that has been actually escaped the attention somewhere. So
I was only.
ready only, I'll just. we can-
May I just take a lot?
On Monday we can give it.
Again, 5 minute jadi hajur debe, I'll just briefly take a charity point more again.
Correct.
Good. If your lordship would kindly give me that indulgence.
Yes, sir. No, without.
See, I rely on a circular.
Yes.
Which is at Annexure 8, page 110.
Okay. This is about that the Aadhaar card and all that.
No, it's PAN card. What has happened is,
sorry, I'm so sorry.
Unfortunately, a wrong PAN was given. Again. Tapare, I have.
In fact, it's ready. I have when I came to my.
I'm confident.
I prepared it.
No, I'm confident that your lordship will appreciate the problem, and just for my sake, my lord, I'll just take your lordship. Apart from that, and your lordship have already seen Annexure 1, 2, where they said that some amount was due in that old PAN, and that was already paid.
Yeah.
May I just take that? Take it, your lordship, to those documents.
Yeah, document there.
And then it's called a writ petition. Again, the lordship must have seen it. ठीक है जी move. I'll wait.
It is done already.
For my
more mind.
Say जो Annexure 1 series I said that there is a wrong PAN issued, and the subsequent PAN, which was 57, they say that wrong PAN जोड़ा कहूचंती, there was an amount of 11,73,053 which is pending till 2006-07. Achha, that amount also they indicate the amounts there. Thereafter, I paid that entire amount. No action was taken by the authorities, my lords.
Yes.
I represent them, my lords, and they receive it on 9/3/2018 at page 64.
Yes.
I request them that I've already paid that. Please consider change my PAN. But and I've annexed that PAN, correct PAN, and they don't do anything. And again in 2019 at page 67, I again represent them, but still they don't do it. What has happened is all this mistake is all relating to opposite party number 3 bank, that is ICICI Bank. I also intimate ICICI Bank way back in 2017 at page 67 that please correct my PAN. Then for this particular year, again, my lord, at page 68, I request the ICICI, which they have received on 15th of November 2019, please correct it.
Yeah.
In 17, one intimation to ICICI, 19 also one intimation, no action. My humble contention is in 1920, which is the relevant assessment year, I have disclosed all my PAN Odisha receipts, and that has been assessed under 143 millions. And my lords, I've given the details. And what has happened, my lords, all in a sudden, I get a 148 A notice at Annexure 4, page 78, which is the impugned order, my lords. There, if your lordship would see, they give the wrong PAN, which was there with ICICI Bank at the left-hand side. My lord, my contention, my lord, is so far as these are on the merits, my lords. They have not considered. My contention is I've given the entire thing. So this will amount to double taxation. Now, if your lordship would kindly see what they have committed, my lords, the procedural irregularity which they have committed, my lords, in that show cause which I have given, I just mentioned the concerned paragraph, my lords. Paragraph 7 at page 99, my lords. That is running page 99. That's a part of my show cause notice. At paragraph 7, I asked them, after this 148A notice and 148B notice, I asked them for a personal hearing through video conferencing. Why I do so, my lords, is because of their own circular, which if your lordship would see at Annex 8 at page 110, paragraph 2, small Roman 6. Sorry, paragraph 2, small Roman 8. I'm sorry, I stand corrected. And small Roman 12. May I just briefly place that for your lordship's kind appreciation, my lords? May I just briefly place that, my lords? It says, my lord, paragraph 2, small Roman 8, if an SSE, this is regard instructions regarding functionalities for dealing with this 148 notices. If an SSE requests for a personal hearing, the same may be dealt with following the principles of natural justice by giving a reasonable period of compliance of notice specifying the time, date of hearing. Clause 12, the AO shall mandatorily pass a speaking order under section 148A(d) in all cases with the prior approval of the specified authority, is irrespective of whether issuance of notice under 148 is being recommended or not. So, my lord, there are two issues here. One is a personal hearing, which even though I've asked for was not given. Two, the specified authority has to give its approval prior to issuance of 148 notice. Then also, my lord, the same thing is repeated at page 111, small Roman I.
In this case, that is not given.
Neither the personal hearing nor the consultation. Why I say so, my lord?
No, I'm saying approval. I'm talking about approval.
No, that approval they have sought for.
That's
And
not received.
only 25 minutes the approval was given. At Annexion 9,
At the end, just within,
my lords,
within very short time.
again, 19/4/2023 at 7:41 PM se pathele for approval, Annexion 19. The lordship will get it at the bottom. So your time stamped at the sir.
Yeah.
May I just good time stamp achi. So April 19/2023 7:41 PM. This is the time when he sends for approval. Then, my lords, the approval comes within 25 minutes. That is the notice, which is at page 109.
Okay.
25 minutes again, sorry. So my humble contention, my lords, in these issues, my lord, this is a right case where lordship would quash the notice and all the subsequent orders under 148D and let the opposite partner one hear the entire matter. And if it is a fit case, let them do it. The second issue, my lord, is the ICICI Bank may be directed, my lord, to correct my PAN, my lords. Because so far as the authorities are concerned, my lord, they have already taken that money from me, which they said was due in the old PAN number. My repeated requests, my lord, that to change it has not been done. ICICI Bank, my lord, and all these problems only for ICICI Bank, Rahul Kala. So that is my humble contention. I have already given. And the lordship that B-boy Joseph John, my lords, that's a judgment which I have already given.
You have given that.
Again, ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ circular ସେଠି earlier circular ଥିଲା 1/8/2022 that speaks. May I just share that again in case again.
It is there.
Again, so it's there, and it has discussed that this non-compliance. ମୁଁ କେବଳ ସେ footnote ଗୁଡ଼ା ସେଠି ଯୋଉ highlighted points ଗୁଡ଼ା ଦେଖିବେ sir. That was speaking of a similar circular dated 1/8/2022. Se jo bullet points would sir the first page re, it speaks that if there is a denial, it's a violation of principles of natural justice. Ultimately, that has been quashed.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir. I'm greatly obliged, Lord, for the patience and the hearing. Lord. Obliged.
Yes.
Mr. Mahanti, SC Mahanti, he will now be appearing. Lord.
Yeah.
Obliged. Lord.
Yes, next item.
May it please your lordships.
Item number 3.
This is a review application filed by the revenue.
Are it kind load karna? Load is?
The revenue lordship delivered the judgment on 24/11, and your lordship in the said judgment have dealt all the points.
Yes.
Which from the pleadings and also from the submissions. Now, my lords, after the judgment was delivered on 24/11, 2023. Now, my lord, the revenue came up with this review application. If your lordship will go through the review application, is nothing but a fresh appeal in disguise of review application.
Okay, then let the review applicant say that.
Yes, yes. Let them.
My lord, I received the copy 1 day before.
Sir, 1 day before last organism, because of you only, I have given time, sir.
My lord,
No, nothing. You have to argue. Please argue. I on that day specifically because of your new
Last week,
appointment,
yes.
I have given you time. It can't be just endlessly. It can go. A review application after all. Small thing.
the classifying.
I'll not give further time. Sorry.
So,
We are not going to grant any further time. You have to argue or else you can give your written note of submission. You have to close it. Can't keep it for long time.
Yeah.
Give your written note of submission. We'll close it. We can't allow further time. Sorry. On that day, otherwise also your previous friend, he already argued that matter.
Yes.
I don't think anything
Mr.
else is there.
Matra,
Just because you are there,
Yes.
that's why I granted 1 day time. On that day also, we don't
Yes.
want it. Actually, they didn't want to
the
grant
question is about the maintainability of the review application.
time. Exactly.
Whether
Give a
there is
note.
any error apparent in
If
face
you don't
of the court.
argue, please give a note.
my lord, submit.
Please give a note. He has already argued everything. I don't
Yes.
think there is much to be told by you. Whatever you want to say, give a written note of submission. I am granting till Monday. Right, Monday? Monday.
Right.
And you have filed something else for
Brothers, I have only given a judgment. Again, I am submitting the judgment of the Supreme Court. That's a judgment. Where
against the review.
yes,
Against the review.
yes. Yeah,
Then
how-
give it.
when a review application will be maintainable and they are and para 17, 18, 18 is Lordship will see a glance at the aforesaid provisions makes it clear that a review application would be maintainable on discovery of new and important matters or evidence which after due diligence are not within the knowledge of the applicant or could not
Ready
be
with paragraph, sir?
Sir, make Lordship may see para 18.
18.
Yes. Here, three judges bench of the Supreme Court, my lords. Yes, my lord. Then their lordship.
This is the established law.
Yes, yes.
What else?
I have given the judgment. The latest decision
You
of
sir
the.
give it.
Yes,
by
I am
Monday-
giving it.
By Monday you give it. Here.
That is the short.
Okay.
Telma 40.
Cancellation license.
Yes, ma'am.
ତ ମତେ କହିଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଆଡିସନାଲ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଦେଇଥିଲି ତା ରିପ୍ଲାଇଟା ମତେ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲେ ସେଟା ମୁଁ କରିନି
Yeah, tell me one thing.
My lord.
In that Telma 14 matter, he is the dealer. He is not the manufacturer.
right
He is getting from some another dealer. Must be some another dealer or maybe from the manufacturer. If something wrong thing comes to this dealer, how the dealer is made responsible?
There is a protection under section 19 on whatever you.
Yeah, that I know. So how the dealer is responsible?
in fact the
You have to establish that no, this person has the knowledge about that. What do you call the
Spurious.
adulteration or whatever?
Well.
What is spurious drug? What is being produced?
I will make it clear on that then. ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା invoice
And if he is purchasing something from a suppose blacklisted shop or blacklisted company or blacklisted trader, then things may be different. So that you have to clarify in that your affidavit. So when do you want?
next week.
Next week. Let it come on 15.
Yes, ma'am.
2 p.m.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Yeah. 93.
2 p.m. ଥିଲା ସେଟା ବି ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ
Attend. Okay, 93.
Passed over matter, item number 13.
13.
That matter, your lordship, force the confidence on transport commissioner to explore a policy for
Yes.
avoid the wear and tear of the vehicles under seizure.
Yes.
May I pray, my lord, day before yesterday, I have got the copy, I have communicated. I pray sometimes to file an affidavit. So that,
So you have not filed the affidavit?
not filed.
Why?
My lord,
I have granted so much time, more than 1 month time has been.
your lordship directed a copy of the order be served.
Uh.
But, I have received the copy day before yesterday. I
But-
have intimated. Lordship.
Your intimation, what is the order passed? Read the order.
Yes, my lord.
What are the order?
Lord, paragraph,
So for 1 month, your
No,
commissioner
but-
can't prepare a reply. Huh?
release, your lordship release.
I am
the-
not on the vehicle, I am on the policy.
Yes. There is judgment of this honorable court.
On a policy, you have so many vehicles that has been seized throughout the police station, forest office, excise office, so many vehicles are unnecessarily dumped. And they are just getting waste. So that's frame a policy whereby all those vehicles can be released on certain securities amount. You can release them. That is neither good for the government or for the vehicle owner. फायदा क्या होची क्या होची ସେଥିପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲି ପଲିସିଟା ଫାଇଲ ତାର ଗୋଟେ କଣ ବନାନ୍ତୁ ବୋଲି ହେଇଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପଲିସି ତିଆରି
Lordship may grant some time.
5th March କର 5th March 5th March the commissioner transport commissioner Orissa is directed to file the comprehensive affidavit in this light of the order dated last order
16-1.
16/1/2020 24 delineating all the aspects as expressed by this court, right? Release the matter on 5th, 5th March. How good?
94 चला
94.
94 since lordship was passing on the case. To feel like the indicator to fix at 2 o'clock the till live.
That Balesar,
Yes, yes.
stone crusher.
Yes,
So-
any day at 2 o'clock or something fixed.
Are you not ready today?
I am-
This is today 2 o'clock. 2:30 o'clock. Not take much time.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Hi, is it called?
Huh? Are you?
880 আমার 51 টা আছে
Oh, I see. Anyway, then 15 to this then. 15. 15. 15 2 o'clock. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ note ଦେଇଦେବେ. Written submission ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ 3 page. Maximum 3.
ମାନେ in advance
In advance will be better. ନଦେଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ ବାକି ସେତେବେଳେ ତ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କମ ସେ କମ. That will actually crystallize your thought, make your thought systematic, and also make my thought systematic. That is the advantage. Next. कितने नंबर था?
এটা item number 93.
93.
94. Oh, see.
एडे कितने नंबर? 8 item कितने?
तेरे पर 70.
70.
17.
17.
अच्छा 70 sorry
Item 70.
एडा से लोकायुक्त तक?
ना.
नहीं नहीं. Note देले Mr. Given. I was waiting for your note actually. You must have given late.
No, in fact, sir,
हाँ काली दी था हाँ मैं कहना wait करते लिए डाकेला वाला अपना note नहीं सेतरे.
sorry, Lord, extremely sorry, Lord.
Very well, don't worry. You have got it. 17.
Item 17.
Lord, 17 I'm appealing.
Because your note is vital in that matter. Yeah. Because you have raised some important questions that case law they sent.
Case law, in fact, fact case law, right from teller case law.
If you have, then please give it. Jodi achi kichi.
I was
Okay.
judgment, sir,
Yes, 17.
17, my lord, I'm appearing for the bank. On the last occasion, your lordship had directed to take instructions as to in what amount can the account be settled. My lord, admittedly, he had applied for OTS. That was approved, but he did not make the necessary payments within the stipulated time period. Therefore, it did not crystallize. However, on your lordship's direction, we have taken instructions that he has to pay further 8,05,000 rupees for settling his loan accounts. 8,05,000 more within 15 days, that too. Because thereafter the interest would crystallize more, your lordship.
Okay, what is it? Okay, nahi, buଝିପାରିଲି। Okay, nahi, ଖାଲି ମୁଁ ଏକା ଏକା ଶୁଣୁଛି ତାର। I thought ଏତେ ଲୋକ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ
My lord, probably ହେଇଥିଲା କି your lordship had directed the matter to be taken
Father,
up at 3 o'clock.
ଆର ପାର୍ଟି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ।
No, no, my lord had directed that the matter would be taken up at 3 o'clock. Probably Passover ଏବେ ଯୋଉ ଡାକିଦେଲେ ବୋଧେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
3 o'clock
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
if you are not busy then
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, my lord, I will be there.
then 3 o'clock ଆସି
Your lord.
मैं भी से आई
ହଁ 3ଟା ବେଳକୁ
3
ଆପଣ
o'clock
Passover
ଠିକ
କରିବେ।
ଅଛି।
Item 18.
18
Lordship, my friend to only tell the amount, Lordship, what is the amount that loan can be settled?
amount ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
My lord, settlement amount, there is a no policy, NDND scheme is not available in the bank. Problem टा which, my lord, what is the problem? Problem is the security value is much more than the outstanding.
ସେଟା ମୋର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଧେ।
No, number one. Number two.
ସେ ତ ଭଲ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ।
My lord,
That's good for you.
I am assisting to.
नहीं problem security value अधिका है problem.
No, no.
That's a good thing. You are in a better situation.
My lord, here he has during the pendency of the case, he has also given a proposal, that proposal dated 5th.
नहीं नहीं ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ କହିଥିଲି simple sir just hold on
bank is also given.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଇଛି sir ତାଙ୍କ
ମୋ
ପାଇଁ।
କଥାଟା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ କାନରେ ଚୁପଚାପ କହିଦେବେ କେତେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି କାନରେ କହିଲେ କେତେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲେ ହେବେ ଆପଣ ଓଟିଏସ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିବେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
3,40,00,000 କେତେ ଦେଲେ ଯାଇକିରି
କେତେ ମାନେ ତ
କେତେ
Lordship,
40
in fact,
କେତେ
Lordship,
ମାନେ
here is a case, Lordship.
3,50,000 କେତେ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର?
Lordship, here is a case.
roughly କେତେ ଦେଲେ
My lord, two lines.
So around-
my lord, may with permission. On several occasions.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ 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 ଜଷ୍ଟ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କେସରେ ମୁଁ କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ପଢାପଢିରେ ଯାଏନି ବେଶୀ ସିଧା କଥା ମୁଁ ହେଲେ ଇଏ ତୁ କେତେ ଦେବୁ ତୁ କେତେ ଦେବୁ ଖତମ କର ଯା ଏଠୁ ଏଇଟା ମୋ ଇତିହାସ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁନି
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ
ଏବେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ବଞ୍ଚନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ଆପଣ କେତେ ନେଲେ ଦେବେ ଖତମ କରୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ନେବେ କେତେ ଦେଲେ ଅଫର ହେଲେ ସେ ଆପଣ କନସିଡର କରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଅଫର
3,40,00,000 କେତେ
ଆପଣ କେତେ କେତେ ଯାଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି 1,80,00,000 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପଳେଇଥିଲି 1,08,00,000
Milord,
that loan 2,80,00,000 Lordship. I have repaid 1 crore.
ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ବି ତ
No, no, yeah, that's why.
ଆଉ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ବଡ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଅଧିକ ବଢିଯାଏ
Lordship, no, I am not on that, Lordship. I will pay.
ସୋ ଟୋଟାଲ କେତେ ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
Lordship, only the test.
3,50,000
ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଭୋଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ଟୋଟାଲ କେତେ ଅଛି
3,50,000
3,50,000 3,40,000 ରେ ଓଟିଏସ୍ କରିବେ
10 ମିଲର୍ଡ 7 କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କାର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କୋଉଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିରେ ଆଖି ରହିଲାଣି କେମିତି ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିଟା ନେଇକିରି ଆମେ ପଳେଇବୁ କେମିତି ବଢିଆ ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ କଣ କରନ୍ତି ଚିଲର ମାଛ ଉପରେ ପଡିକି ଧରିକି ପଳେଇବ ଆପଣ ସେମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିରେ ଆଖି ଟିକେ ଛାଡିକିରି
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମିଲର ଲୋନ୍
କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଆପଣ 3 ଓଟିଏସ୍ 3 କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 3 କୋଟି ଏନାଉନ୍ସ କରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
3 କୋଟିରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
3 କୋଟି ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି
3 କୋଟିରେ
3 କୋଟିରେ ଏନାଉନ୍ସ କରି ଆପଣ କନସିଡର କରନ୍ତୁ
let the bank will take a shit अरे डिसीजन को डिस्पोज अप कर दो
ମୁଁ ତ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ନା 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 ମୁଁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କରୁନି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କଲେ ସବୁ ନା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ୍ କଲେ ଆପଣ ତ କରିବେନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ପୁଣି ସେ ନଜର ସେଇ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଦଲାଇ tell your client to enhance the OTS to 3 kala I think they should consider ମାନେ 180 ରୁ 3 होला काफी substantially increase हेलानी
काली सबमिट करू
ना काली नो पछिम इंस्ट्रक्शन ने
within 1 week let them मो इंस्ट्रक्शन सीधा आपण बैंक को देबी आ एठी আছে
जुडिशियल ऑर्डर टे करू
जुडिशियल ऑर्डर म काय करबी 3 कोटी म काय करबी से आपण काल मागिथंदी म either judicial order कहा जाए bank
People
who is
will
the
not
who
come
is the
up
court to
because
say that
the-
this much amount
ଅବିକା
this much amount.
surface ଚାଲିଛି surface action ଟା stay ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
Could surface action stay in Jamaru?
ହଁ
Could surface action
କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
stay?
my lord ହେଇଛି granted।
No, no, no.
because he challenged the auction sale
No.
Surface
I have
action
never challenged.
surface action ହେଇଥିଲା ମୁଁ court ରୁ ହିଁ ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
I have never challenged.
ମୁଁ court ରୁ ପଳେଇଥାନ୍ତା
annexer 1 ଟା
କଣ annexer? କଣ annexer one? କଣ annexer one?
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ କଥା ଏବେ କାହିଁ ଏପଟେ ସାର୍ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି
ସେଟା ଯାଉନି my lord।
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ସେଟା ଯାହା କହିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦିଟା ପ୍ରେୟାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ଟୁ ଫୋଲ୍ଡ
ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନେ କୋପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ କାହିଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପୁରା ନ୍ୟାସନାଲାଇଜ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆଉ କୋପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଭଳିଆ ବିହେଭ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ you approach the bank with the not consider the petitioner to instruct his client
Yes.
to approach the bank
In enhancing.
by enhancing
Yes.
the offer amount
Lordship.
for OTS
Lordship.
by enhancing to a reasonable amount.
Reasonable amount. Lordship.
reasonable then he will
Reasonable ମାନେ କଣ ସେ
3 crores
ସେ ବୁଝିଗଲେ ନା
as per his application
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ସେ ବୁଝିଗଲେ କେତେ କରିବା କଥା ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ଚୁପଚାପ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଏଠି ଲେଖିବି ଅର୍ଡରରେ
ନାଇଁ
ଆଉ ଫିର ଆପଣ କହିଛନ୍ତି କେତେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଆପଣ ଧରିବେନି ତୁ କାଇଁ କହିଲୁ ଅର୍ଡରରେ କାଇଁ ଆସିବି ବୋଲି କହିବନି
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଅଦର ପାର୍ଟ ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ବି ନ ପଡିବ ଯଦି ସେମିତି ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା reasonable amount and the bank shall consider in accordance with law ହେଲା
Lordship. Lordship.
ଆଉ list the matter ମୁଁ
To accept a lordship.
ମୁଁ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି
Lordship.
13 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
13. Lordship.
ତା ଭିତରେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରିନେଇଗଲେ ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ କଥା ଆସିକି କହିବେ ମୁଁ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦେବି ନହେଲେ ଦେଖିବା କ'ଣ କରିବା ହେଲା within 1 week
Lordship. Within one.
within 1 week within 1 week ଏତେ ତାହେଲେ ଲମ୍ବା ଟାଇମ କାଇଁ ଦେବା ତାହେଲେ
ଲମ୍ବା
First
ପଇସା ଆରେଞ୍ଜମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ହଉ କ୍ଲିୟର କରିଦେବି ଲordship ମୋର ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ମୁଁ ସେଲ୍
ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଯିବେ ହପ୍ତେ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ ଟା ଦେବେ ନା
ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ ଦେଇଦେବି ଯଦି ସେମାନେ
ରାଜି ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରିବେ ଠିକ ଅଛି
କ୍ଲିୟର କରିଦେବି
13 ଅଛି
ଲordship
1 week ରେ ସେ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ ଦେବେ ହେଲା ଆଉ କାଇଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି
କିଛି
କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ନାହିଁ ତ ହଁ ହେଲା ବାସ୍ ଏଇଥିରେ ଆଉ କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ଦେଖିବେନି ଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ସରିଗଲା କେତେ ମିଟର ଉଡିଗଲାଣି ସେମିତି ଏମିତି ମାନି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବି ମାନି ଯାଉଛି ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଖତମ ହେଇଗଲେ ଖୁସିରେ ଲୋକ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆପଣ
ସେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଯାଉନି
ନିଜେ
is not taking keen interest ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ
ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ନହେଲେ ଏଇଠି ଡାକି ମୋର ସବୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
ଏପଟେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେପଟେ ନାହିଁ no interjection in between look at this side
party is not taking keen interest matter ସବୁ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଦଉନି ଭିତରେ
ଶୁଣିବ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଲୋନ ଯୋଉ ରିକଭରି କଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ କଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ରିକଭରି ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ କଷ୍ଟ ତାର ବି କଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ନା ଯେତିକି ଆପଣ ତା ଦେହରେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବେ ପେପରରେ ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜ କରିବେ ଇଏ କରିବେ ଅକ୍ସନ କରିବେ ତାର ବି ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ କଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେତେ ଯାହା କରିବେ ସବୁ ତାଠୁ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ଯଦି କିଛି ଛାଡିଦେବେ କିଛି ଲୋନ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଛାଡିଦେବେ ସେତିକି ପଇସାରେ ଆପଣ ପଇସା ବି ପାଇଗଲେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ବି ଗଲା ଆପଣ ଟେନସନ ବି ଏନର୍ଜି ବଞ୍ଚିଲା ପଇସା ବଞ୍ଚିଲା ସବୁ ବଞ୍ଚିଲା and good for everybody ସେଥିପାଇଁ this is that's why I call it bank mediation ଏଟା bank mediation ମୁଁ ଚଲେଇବି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଅର୍ଡର କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଏସବୁ ଯିବିନି ହେଲା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ମାଟର ସରିଲାଣି କେତେ ମାଟର ସରିଲାଣି
କେଡେ matter
8 କୋଟି 9 କୋଟି ବାଲା ମାଟର ସରିଗଲାଣି ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ
brother is not taking keen interest matter ସରିଲାଣି matter କେଡେ matter ସରିଛି ଏ matter କ'ଣ
ହବ
ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଉପରେ ଆଖିଆ ତମେ ଆମକୁ ଆମ
13 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
ପଇସା କ୍ଲିୟର କର
13 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ବାକି ଯଦି ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ତ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କହିବେ ନା ସରିଯିବ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ସିଓର ମିଷ୍ଟର ଟୁନା ସାର୍ will take active interest ଆପଣ now you mask your property so that they can't see it. Mask your property they can't see
implement continue
nice implement to continue अरे सॉल्व तो करिए ଆଉ सॉल्व का है आला नेगेटिव रे आसीनी है ना कौन सी पार्टी
ना मैं भी
पॉजिटिव हां नेक्स्ट
item 50
This is a contempt matter, not because of this. It has been upheld by the single judge judgment was upheld by the division bench and also by the appellate court.
Prior to my learned senior starting marks, we have
it
was like a contempt from the date of the order of the single judge. ताकि benefits गोड़ा दबा
Okay, Mr. Palit, just for a moment. That's fair.
No,
so look to my
50
ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନ ଉଠେଇ ଲେଖ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଇ ଯେ OUT
ସର୍ ଓୟୁଇଟି
ଆମେ affidavit ଟା
ଟିକେ ମୁଁ ତମ ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କରି କରୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
29/8/84, 2 posts of lecturer in mathematics were created by the College of Engineering. This is the finding of those. 6/11/95, petition was appointed a lecturer in mathematics in seat on contractual basis against the sanction brackets. 9/7/2002, VPUT was notified by the state government and CT was transferred to the control of the VPUT, and all teaching and non-teaching staff of CT are placed under the control of VPUT. Service of the petition was placed under the VPUT. 2005, petitioner filed the writ application before this Honorable Court of 2005 for regularization of service and grant consequential service and financial benefit retrospectively. The Honorable Single Judge in 2015, this is important because I also look to this. The Honorable Single Judge directed the opposite party to observe the petition on regular basis and extend all consequential benefit. Then 2016, people filed a writ appeal bearing number so-and-so, which was disposed of on such and such, in which the Honorable Division Bench not inclined to interfere with the interim judgment, the order passed on single judge as upheld. Then 7/8/2020, the SLP filed by VPUT, which was also dismissed. Then you also can remember 6/9/2020, they passed an order, which is the contempt, the basic question of contempt. VPUT issued a fresh appointment letter to the petitioner on regular basis, and appointment will be on probation for a period of 1 year. That your lordship, on the last occasion, after hearing that, asked Mr. Pali that how can you do like this? Now in the counter filed by the VPUT as well as by the seat, they have accepted. They said that we have now regularized, but we have regularized from the date of the judgment. That is from 1/12/2015. In this context, your lordship.
Regularize kare, board date of joining.
Sir, kindly look to the judgment. My lordship said that, let's say, look to the judgment. Paragraph 6, 5 and 6. That is my entire case. Eta upheld by Supreme Court. Sir, para 5 at page 13 of the judgment. The 13 of the running page 13 of the brief.
Judgment of this court.
Sir, this, yes, which was upheld by. Paragraph 5 and 6, only that part. Page 13. On the basis, let's get it.
Yes.
Please. Para 5. On the basis of the fact placed above, the admitted fact is that the petitioner has been engaged on contractual basis, having been duly selected by following due procedure of selection pursuant to the advertisement issued by the OUAT, and continuing service by getting extension from time to time. Not only once, 4 times advertisement was issued by the OUAT, and the petitioner appeared in such interview and have qualified. He has been issued engagement order from time to time by the OUAT as a lecturer in mathematics. The petitioners filed additional affidavit on 14/10/2015.
So initially also when he was appointed, and it was through a due
Yes, sir.
process.
Yes, always.
So then
Sir, you have to look. You also look to page paragraph 6. Because we have taken in annexure E to the additional affidavit is stated as that as against 2 sanctioned posts of lecturer in mathematics, 1 post is vacant. Therefore, the petitioner is continuing in other sanctioned post. Since the petitioner is continuing as a lecturer against the sanctioned post on contractual basis, by following due procedure of selection, he could not have been denied the regularization by the authority, in as much as the reason for allowing the petitioner to continue on contractual engagement is well founded from the answer given in question number 7 pursuant to annexure 49, which it has been stated that due to
I understood, sir.
I have read
this.
Now, in the counter, they say.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Pali?
Our-
Simple as that.
Man.
Please, one thing that do I with that kind of requirement of 1 year probation and all
No, that is already gone.
Secondly. Since he was selected by a proper selection procedure, from the date of
Against sanction.
against the sanction
Maharaj.
plan, from the date of joining.
Maharaj, I'll first, let me address the first issue first, Maharaj.
Yes.
Last time, when the matter was argued, Maharaj, it was argued on the specific term that the Honorable Single Judge passes an order of regularization on 1/12/2015. That order is carried in writ appeal. Writ appeal, it was stayed. Operation of the order was stayed for a couple of years.
Okay, finally what happened?
No, I'm coming to that. Let us go step by step, man. The Lordship is taking a view, man. My submission would be that this may not be a case of contempt at all.
No, I'm not on contempt.
If they have a cause of action,
What I'm saying, see, no need, forget the contempt. Again, I'm coming to that simple tarika.
Mal,
No contempt, nothing, you regularize from date of joining. Contempt close, contempt close.
I'm coming to that. So therefore, my lord, the order of the honorable single judge, let us read that order
See,
again.
sir, one thing.
Mal.
He has spent so much time in the organization. He has become one of the experienced teacher now. And that is he's an asset for your organization. Why are you not regulating from the date?
I'll cite, I have authorities, I'll cite, my lord. The date of, my lord, regular salary and regular always flows from the date of regulation, not antedate to that. No, he was appointed on the contract.
Contrary view is also there, sir. Lot of judgments are there.
Absolutely wrong.
Lot of judgments, sir. I have passed so many judgments on this from the date of joining. From the date of joining, sir. Other cases, not in this case. Some other cases.
Let me get back. The petitioner was, Lordship may kindly come to the.
Forget everything, no argument, nothing. It's just you take it from date of joining, no contempt. Khatam.
Let us, Lordship may kindly hear me. No doubt, paragraph 21 of the Honorable Single Judge's judgment. No doubt, after the establishment of BPUT, the institutions under the control of BPUT have to fill up the vacancies in accordance with the provisions of BPUT Act and rules framed thereunder. If the institutions had been taken over with the staff, in that case, BPUT has to take necessary steps for regularization, has to take necessary steps for regularization of the services instead of terminating them, though the employees have not been appointed under the provisions of the BPUT Act and rules. In view of this matter, this court is of the considered view that the opposite party should observe the petitioner on a regular basis against sanctioned posts, taking into account the length of service rendered by him as a lecturer in mathematics, in which he has been continuing without insisting upon him to undergo the rigors of selection procedure laid down under the BPUT Act and rules framed thereunder. Reason being that in the meantime, the petitioner has become overaged and he has been exploited for 20 years for no reasons. Though he has qualified.
Sir, that 20 years can't be just given go by. Should not be allowed to be waste.
In all the interviews conducted by the authorities for the engagement on contractual basis, the petitioner being not a backdoor entrant to the service, the opposite party should extend all consequential benefit as a result, admissible in accordance with law as expeditiously as possible, preferably in the case of court. Therefore, this order was carried with the division bench. Now, division bench, my lords, fact remains, my lords, he was on a contractual basis. He was appointed on a contractual basis.
Sir, fact remains he was, anyway, when you are regularizing, how can you ignore the past service, sir?
No,
How can you ignore the past service?
Regulation would mean, past service would be for the reason.
Because he was not a backdoor entrant. He was selected. Oh no, again a vacant post.
Finding of the court has been upheld, my lord.
Okay, so I'm just disposing of the contempt petition by just you regularize from the date of joining.
Lordship may pass that direction.
No, first you take instruction. How in the contempt matter? How can I pass in that kind of direction? You have to obey that. Otherwise, you will pass.
Lordship,
You have to take instruction that they are regularizing from the date of
If Mr. Palit wants, it can be done. You'll also look to page 5, annexed array by 3. With reference to the subject reference cited above. That is, they have a document, annex that document. I am directed to inform you that a discussion was made in the chamber of the Vice Chancellor OUTR with presence of the registered OUTR Assistant Law Officer B. Put Rautala and Mr. Subhit Palit, Senior Advocate on 31/2000.
You know everything. You're part of the.
You can do it.
Lordship may not.
Anyway, forget it. Anyway, what I'm saying, please, so what I'm saying, this is, I mean, we are going to do justice to the man who has spent so much time in the organization. He has become, already he is an asset for your organization. So, regularize from the date of joining. That instruction you take.
That instruction, I don't have that.
You take that,
that was not
that's what I'm saying. You take that instruction.
What we have done is we have done it. Where your lordship, what?
So your organization, you are going to do it from
your lordship took umbrage at the fact that he was regularized from 2020.
How can it, sir? Regularize means you have to regularize from the day one. Why can it, he was not, suppose he was in some ad hoc post, he was done in a backdoor entry, things would have been different. He has been employed against a sanction post by way of a proper, selection process. Everything is fine, then what
Malas,
prevents the organization
he
to not
was-
to do it from the
He
day?
was always, Malas, he was always appointed on a contractual basis.
No,
He was
even if,
under-
even if
under
there,
OUAT,
so many cases are there where this
Malas-
kind of order is passed.
Malas, your lordship may kindly look at the.
ଏତେ କଥା କହିଲା ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ କରିବେ ନା ନାଇଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ପାସ୍ ଅର୍ଡର
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
ନାଇଁ
ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
directly with the contender here. I'll call him here with the contender.
No, your lordship is I will take comparison.
With the contender.
There is a difficulty there.
If he's not doing that, I'm calling him in person. Let him come.
Lordship may explain the situation.
No, I'm not explaining
The
any
order
situation.
can speak so.
Let him come.
The order
Let this contender Shyam Sundar Patnaik and Mr. Sanjay Kumar Singh, both of them.
In the meantime, the party has been changed. I have filed a consolidated.
Ki achi party?
Dr. Amyo Kumar Ratha, Vice Chancellor, Biju Patnaik University.
One ki achi.
One member, that is Usha Pari IS. The secretary. That is secretary. No, opposed by the 2 and 3 members. Dr. Amyo Kumar Ratha. Dr. Amyo Kumar Ratha, BC, DPUT.
तो एंकर किसी रोल नहीं जो फर्स्ट ओपीनियन नंबर 1 रा किसी नहीं मेन है बीसी
BC BPUT and BC.
who is BC BPUT now?
Amyo Kumar Ratha.
तो चेंज करो तो ना
Already I have changed. I have already changed. I have filed a consolidated.
होटल चेंज करो.
Yes.
Okay,
will take instruction.
you take instruction.
Let me take instruction.
You take instruction, or if he is not giving you positive instruction, he has to be present. Simple. He has to do it. He can't do it. Court order can't be just like this.
That direction was not there in the order of the honorable single judge.
This is a basic thing,
There
sir.
was no retrospective
No.
retrospectivity attached to
No,
that.
no. The person, suppose a case goes on, and the fag end of the career, the order passed by the court, and at that time, will you do it from that day? Suppose that person will be retiring in 2-3 years, suppose,
Yes,
for
sir,
example.
yes, sir, yes.
So what kind of what justice is being done? Not done. This is a settled law. When you are taking them, for example, Mr. Rautra has argued in 2-3 matters, I remember, and other matters also. In many cases, such that period has been always.
Yes, sir. No, a division bench judgment where my learned friend was also appearing.
You can give him some judgment.
Yes,
also.
that must be done from the date of joining.
Date of joining will So you take instruction, I'm giving only next week only, not much.
Next week happening again.
Next week I have difficult ପଚାରିବା
More again, take a personal difficult.
ଆପଣ କୁଆଡେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କି?
I have
କୁଆଡେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି?
ମାନେ ଯାଉନି କୁଆଡେ I have ମାନେ
Personal difficulty ଆପଣ ତ fit fat ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣ personal difficulty?
Lakshmi accommodate us. One
week ତ time ଦଉଛି ଆଉ 1 week ର ଅଧିକ time ନା I can't.
Next week asu,
1 week after. Kindly balance 1 week.
Okay, 20th ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି 20th.
କୋଡିଏ
1 week after ହେଲା ନା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
20th ଆସୁ 2 PM. 20th 2 PM. ଆଉ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ further time ମାଗିବେନି କି ଆପଣ ନହେଲେ ଯଦି ନ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଭିସି କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ଭିସି କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ ଆଦର କରିବେ ବୋଲେ ସିଧା କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦେବେ ନହେଲେ ଭିସି କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ ମୁଁ କରିବି କେମିତି କରାବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
Let us Lakshmi qualify on 20th. Let me take instruction.
ନ କଲେ ଭିସି କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ମାନେ ଆପଣ କହିଦେବି ଓରାଲି କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରୁନି ନହେଲେ ଭିସି କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ କହିବେ ବି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ
BC OUTR.
of course OUTR.
Let me take instructions.
Hopefully you will get good instruction, I know.
Let me take instructions.
Okay, land concept of the OUTR.
Lakshmi, at least indicate one line that the Lakshmi has produced the affidavit, but the compliance is not complete, so further affidavit.
Yes, that's yours.
Okay.
Some indication has to be there.
Okay.
That's what I miss.
Yes,
After having perused the affidavit filed by the
both opinion number 2 and 3.
both opinion number 2 and 3. 2 and 3?
Yes. Yes.
2 and 3. This court doesn't find a satisfactory answer, a satisfactory reply. Also, the regulation of the petitioner should have been from the date of his joining
Yes.
the post, since he was
Post
appointed against a sanctioned
Sanctions.
post and by way of a valid selection
Valid selection process. As found by the single judge.
Hence, it is this court as well as Honorable Supreme Court has held in the Katina of judgment, wherein the cases like the present one should have been dealt and should have been dealt in a similar way. That is the regulation has been done from the date of the appointment, not from the date of judgment.
Not date from joining. Date from joining,
Sorry.
not from the date of judgment.
Judgment.
Not
Date of
from the date
joining.
of judgment, but the date of
Not, that's what I said. Not from the date of judgment, but from the date of joining. Hello? Regular बोल रही? Not from the date of judgment, but from the date of joining. Full stop. Hello? Regular. In the light of the above observation, the contemners are to file an affidavit on or before 20th February 2024, failing which.
Grateful. Grateful. Copy of your lordship, sir.
Next,
Item 56.
56.
तो चैप्टर रिजाइनर फाइल करू तो काउंटर
टाइम नहीं परे से आपण पास बार देली पुणी 2 weeks आफ्टर कहया पे आपण नहीं टाइम रिजाइनर फाइल करिवे मार्च को जाओ 12 मार्च 12 मार्च आउट टाइम नहीं निका पर नेक्स्ट
Item 61.
61
61, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord, I'm on VC now.
Yes.
Item 61, I am for the opposite party, number 4, my lord. I pray for 2 weeks time to file counter.
Counter.
My lord.
23 matter.
Okay.
Okay. 2 weeks time granted to file the counter. List the matter on 5th March.
My lord, as a matter of last chance. My lord, as a matter of
Okay, as a last chance. Okay, as a last chance. 6th March. Next.
interim to continue, my lord.
Interim to continue. Next.
Item number 88.
88.
And 88, I am appealing for the opposite party wife, my lord.
Well, I am for the petitioner.
Here, my lord, the maintenance granted under the DV Act by the learned court below, that was confirmed in appeal. That was under challenge.
What is the maintenance amount?
Maintenance amount, my lord,
My lord, prior to that, your lordship, may I submit something? My lord, in a divorce decree proceeding, your lordship, my lord, 12 lakh has already been settled and it has been duly received by the wife, your lords. And I am questioning the maternity.
Divorce is already.
My lord, it has been
granted.
decreed.
Then why this thing should end?
My lord, without taking into note of that thing, your lordship, an order has been passed, your lords, by the London
Okay,
appellate
I'm
court.
sending it back to them. They should consider it close for them.
no, my lord. Here,
No, this is not done.
no,
Divorce is gala पर ये जो करे
my
माने
lord, Mata is pending, my lord.
माटा था pending कौन टाइम
Let me,
डिग्री तो पास वाला ने माटा था pending.
my lord, let me where is the fact? Here is a case, my lord, on 22/9.
This is ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି provision ଟା ତାକୁ ପୁରା ମିଶ୍ରିତ ତାକୁ ମୋଡି ତୋଡି ଗଲେ ହବ.
Here is a case, my lord. Here is a case, my lord. The amount which he is supposed to pay till the date of payment of the permanent alimony, though permanent alimony is subject matter of challenge, he has challenged this. And he has paid, and we have filed the
What are you doing? What is your plan? What is your plan doing?
My lord, I am an MBA graduate.
What are you doing?
My lord, now I am doing a private job, your lordship.
Where?
my lord, that
I filed a small note.
private job.
Can you go through that? I have nothing more to say. Here
Well-
is the case, my lord. My claim is up to the date of payment of permanent alimony. That is fair enough, my lord.
সেটা দেই না দি
My lord,
That amount to 4,58,000.
we pay it.
My
And
lord,
every time they are coming up with the case.
Pay that
my
amount.
lord, may I submit only one thing, your lord? My lord, I am not the regular, I am not the main counsel who has to support.
I am not on that. Simply tell your client to pay the amount, who is regular or irregular, that doesn't matter.
My lord, may I only,
Nothing.
only one line of
The
submission,
petitioner to pay the regular, the area maintenance till the date of
Payment of
divorce,
permanent alimony.
the date of payment of the permanent alimony. The said amount shall be deposited within a period of 1 month from today.
My lord, may I
Failing which
only,
contempt will be issued against the present petition.
my lord, 2017.
How gapane?
My only one line, only one submission.
I already passed the order.
My lord, your lordship,
Maintenance dabani hole kin debo?
my lord, the factum, the period.
Factum kichi
My
nahi.
lord,
Sida aani diyo.
My lord, 12 lakh ଟଙ୍କା
No argument.
with your lordship with proper.
Se 12 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଯୋଉଟା ନେଲା ଏଟା ଅଲଗା ସେଟା ଅଲଗା. Permanent alimony cannot be combined with this amount. Remember, this is different, that is different. ଏଟା maintenance, interim maintenance ଦିଆଯାଏ. ଏତିକି ଜାଣିନ?
My lord, interim.
फिर interim maintenance ତ ତାର ସାଙ୍ଗେ club କରିବ କି? It's not clubbed with that. This is a DB Act of interim maintenance, you have to pay it. You can't club with that. ଏଟା ଦେଇଦେଲି ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ କମ ଦେଇଦେବି ବୋଲି ହବନି.
And
That's
that's
why
also,
whatever amount area due is there, outstanding, that you have to pay till the date of granting the permanent alimony.
and
Simple.
that is also subject to appeal. Appeal the pending.
ଏ ଥାଉ ସେଇଟା ତା ବାଟରେ ସେ ଥାଉ ଇଏ ପଇସା ଦେବେ ଆପଣ ସିଧା କଥା 1 month you can ask me for more time I can grant but you have to pay ମୋ ବାଟ ନାହିଁ
My lord, may I pray for some more time, your lordship? Just to find out the. My lord, may I pray for
କଣ find out
only till Friday, your lordship. Till Friday.
Whenever the matter is.
Till Friday.
It was hard at length. Stay was not initially granted.
you call your client you let him be here till Friday କାହିଁକି ଆସିବ ଯୋଉଟା ଡାଉଟ୍ ହେଲା ପଚାରିବ କହିବ ଆଉ ବାର ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେବିନି
ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ହଉ ସେଇ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ
tell your client to be here କୋଉଠି ରହେ ସେ
I have to take instruction because
କୋଉଠି ରହେ ସେ
because today I have to actually for my learned senior.
if again you are taking time 2019 ରେ ଚାଲିଥିବ ଏମିତି 4 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା ଏମିତି ଗପ ଚାଲିଥିବ ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ nothing.
I have paid your lordship. I have paid 12 lakhs, your lordship.
You are not doing any favor, sir.
Well,
12 lakh you are bound to pay it.
My lord, I bow.
ବରଂ ଆହୁରି ଦେବ ପଇସା 12 ବୋଲି କାଇଁ ଖୁସି ହଉଛ ଆହୁରି 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଗଣିବ ତାପରେ ଯିବ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା
ଆସୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ଆସୁ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସିବ ସେଦିନ ମୁଁ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଦେଖିବି ଲେଫ୍ଟ ରାଇଟ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟର ନ କରିବି ଏଠି ଦେଖିବ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କୁ ଖାଲି ଆସୁ
ଧରିକି ଆସିବ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ଅଲଗା ସେ ତମକୁ ଦୋଷ ଦେଇପାରିବନି ଡାକିଦବ ଏଠି ବସିଥିବ ପୂଜା ହଁ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଡାକିଦବ କୋଉଠି ରହୁଛି ସେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ତ ଏଠୁ ଏଠି କେତେ ସମୟ 2.5 ଘଣ୍ଟାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଯିବ କଟକରେ ବଢିଆ ବଢିଆ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ ଚାଲିଛି ହେଲା କରମଣ୍ଡଳରେ ପଳେଇବା ବୋଲି କହିବ କେତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଓକେ ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ ଲଗଉଛି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ଧରିକି ଆସ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ କହିବି କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଦବ ସେ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଦେବି ଆଉ ନ ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଲେ ଏଠୁ ସିଧା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇକି ଯିବ
କମିଂ ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ
ଏଇ କମିଂ 9 ତାରିଖ ଏଇ 9 ଫ୍ରାଇଡେ ମାନେ 9 ନୁହେଁ
16 କୁ ଆସୁ
ହଉ 16 କୁ ଆସୁ don't your money will be secure don't worry
interim order to
continue
Interim order was not granted because the hearing was going on.
There are many patients which has not been brought to the notice of the lords.
Okay.
He was put behind the bar also, your lords.
ହଁ ଆଉ ଯିବ ଏଠୁ ଯିବ ଏଠି ଚୌଦ୍ୱାରକୁ ଯିବ ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁର ଯାଇ ଯିବାକୁ ଦେବିନି ଏଠୁ କେତେ ପାଖଟା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 89.
Next.
89.
89, I am for the opposite party, my lords.
Oh, I can't see you.
My lords, I have switched on my camera, but
Why? I should know who are you.
yes, my lords.
Yes, open your face.
My lords, it is open, my lords. It's not.
No, it is not open. You
I'm
open
trying
it.
again. I'm trying again.
Open it. Open it.
I'm trying again. I'm trying again.
ଚାଲିକି ଆପଣ
On behalf of
अरे ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कहा पे तो कहतु एसके करछंती आप तो पचार ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एसके दा फिर से कहा पे से कहबे नहीं इनका मैं मुंह दिखाया और आपने भाग रहे हो आप ये क्या है
Any other day.
any other day okay
My
for
lord.
you
Yes, my lords.
okay you will be coming here physically
I will, my lords. I will, my
yeah
lord.
okay
I will,
I'll
I
list the
will.
matter on 28th
28.
okay
Grateful.
next
Item 90.
90 90 कोड़े बोले opposite party कार पिटिशनर कोड़े बोले भोजी के सॉरी नहीं बोलते पिटिशनर 91
Your Lordship. And then item 91 and today I am just filed the fresh wakalat now.
for
Petitioner, my lord.
fresh wakalat why change the change of concept
Yes, yes. That,
what is your name
Pritam Kumar Mohanty.
85 करिए
Yes.
अच्छा एटा काउंटर क्यों डालना
Sorry, sorry.
yes कुछ
Sorry, my lord. Sorry.
My lord,
I'm just
Kumar Mohanty 1 week time to file the fresh wakalatnama after changing the concept in such view the matter that the previous concept name Mr. Himanshu Bhushan Das and associates be changed and be deleted.
my lord, I am appearing for the opposite party. This is a maintenance proceeding. 3,45,000 is real.
आज्ञा आसंतु से तो फाइल आज
My lord,
करते हैं टिकट टाइम दियंतु
my lord, I am submitted.
तो कौन पे सबमिट करिवे
My lord, a short date will be fixed. Short date.
से करंतु से फाइल आज करते वकालत ना तो
I'm just today, my lord, received it.
आपण टाइम माइनस था
Nice. There is no.
5th March
My lord.
How like.
मैटर आर्गुमेंट लड़े आशा लड़े के आर्गुमेंट करिवे एमते केतर 17 होबो हेतला बराबर
No, my lord, 17, your lordship.
Oh, अच्छा
3 p.m. And I have informed my landlord also. My lord, in this case, my lord, I had a loan of rupees 14 lakhs. Due to
14 lakh,
COVID,
14 lakh.
my lord. Due to COVID pandemic, there was some delay, and I filed a OTS proposal, my lord, which has been accepted under Annex 2. They have admitted that the OTS has been accepted for 11 lakhs 80,000.
पैसा तार देले
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି my lord.
ସବୁ
ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି 1000 ଟଙ୍କା ଅଧିକା ବି ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ କିନ୍ତୁ there is a delay of 2 months only my lord. Last କିସ୍ତିରେ ଦେବାକୁ 2 ମାସ delay ହେଇଯାଉ.
कौन पचाली आपन टेस्ट प्रपोजल सिना दे देले अपन टाइम ले देले नहीं
Time bank granted time my lord, and I
within
repeat
that time they
time my lord, last date was 21st November 2022 my lord.
इतने दिन गलाने 22 आज आइला
No my lord. In the meantime I have already paid my lord, and I paid last किस्ती 30/1/2023 तीनटा किस्ती ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି my lord ଆଉ last किस्ती ଦେବାକୁ ଟିକେ delay ହେଇଗଲା 2 ମାସ ଆଉ entire amount I have paid my lord.
देखो कंसीडर करो
हाँ ଟିକେ consider କରନ୍ତୁ.
Jantu bank will consider.
नहीं my lord, unless my lord directs my lord, and I am ready to pay my lord.
कौन कहूची बैंक
My lord, bank कहया हिसाब रे तांको 8,05,000 टंका दबाको पड़िबा
14 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ ମୁଁ already ଦେଇଛି check
My lord, सेटा सेटल हेइथिला सेति पे से माने सेही टाइम रे वेवर ଦେଇथिबे
ମୁଁ settle no my lord, settle amount ଟା ମୁଁ ପୁରା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ ଯୋଉ delay period ଟା ପାଇଁ I am ready to pay the interest my lord. That will be
let
considered.
them approach the bank.
No, I will approach my lord.
Submit that he has already paid the entire
11 lakhs 80,000 my lord. 81,000
amount of OTS.
as per OTS my lord.
However,
There is a delay of 2
slightly
months.
delayed due to some financial precariousness.
My lord.
आगो लगी
As your lordship.
financial precariousness.
And the poor farmer,
ले precariousness लिख ली पूरा हाँ poor को ठीक
poor farmer and for agricultural purpose I had availed loan.
And since he is a poor farmer and the money was taken for agricultural purpose, and he had somehow missed the time frame, though he has paid the whole amount. In view of the above, the bank is directed to consider his prayer for waiver of
I will pay
Waiver,
the
nahi, my lord,
delayed
for
payment.
settlement, my lord, for the delayed payment, let the
I
bank
will ready.
consider.
I am
Your
ready to
lordship, I
pay.
record my submissions on this
The bank
lines.
should consider, sir, consider the aspect of delayed payment.
Yes,
Yes, your lordship.
Delayed payment.
Right.
Sympathetically.
And the petition is ready and willing to pay the delayed period interest, my lord.
No,
But I am ready. I am
but
ready.
my lord,
My
ଆପଣ
contact.
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହବନି
ଟିକେ ରହିଗଲେ
ହେଇଯିବ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
My-
କନସିଡର
my-
କରିବି
my-
ହେଲା in such view let the petitioner approach the bank with a decent proposal
My lord.
for and the bank shall consider in accordance with law ହେଲା
Sympathetically.
decent proposal within a week
My lord.
within a week and the bank has to dispose of this the issue sorry bank will within a week जान तो पड़ता है
Sympathetically.
लिखी जी बरा
My-
कितने
my-
लगी
my-
सिंपैथी वैसे लिखने वाला
Since is a poor level farmer, my lord.
सर पुअर फार्मर कौन कर रहा बैंक
देला को ये COVID सकाश के delay.
पुअर लोग मान कर मनी डील कुछ
No, I have paid the OTS proposal dues, my lord.
लिस्ट द मैटर ऑन तापरे
my lord, dispose of dispose of Kadun.
हाँ.
So that in case there is a fresh cause of action, you can again approach your lordship.
dispose accordingly
And in the meantime, no course of action till
कौन course of action नेबे?
ସେମାନେ
सर कहीं बेस्ट
सीज କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି.
कहीं पड़ेगा
Right.
till the bank takes a decision there shall not be any course of action
My
there shall not be any course of course of action till the bank takes the decision next
92.
92
And the 5 years of the occurrence, my lord, thereafter FIR has been lodged, my lord.
92
my
92
lord.
कौन है लड़ा
I have come up before a rejection petition under section 227 discharge petition.
कौन है लगी discharge कौन पाई करिए
After 5 years of the occurrence, FIR has been lodged, my lord, on
5 years of the occurrence कौन ହେଇଥିଲା occurrence ଟା କଣ
ଯେ ଆମର ଏନଗେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଆମ ଘରେ ଜୋଇଁ ଭଳିଆ ରହୁଥିଲା ତାପରେ thereafter left constable ଚାକିରି and did not
so
return,
about some affectionate moment
my lord, as per the 164 statement.
5 years पर
5 years, my lord, on the date of
ଆପଣ का ପାଇଁ
occurrence
ଅଛନ୍ତି
2017.
informant ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି 5 years ପରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ କଲେ
prior to 5 years in the
ଆମର prior to 5 years
yes man prior to incident FIR lost prior to FIR lost man
सर एफआईआर आपण 5 वर्ष तळे लॉज करछन्ती कि नाही कोहंतु मते
FIR
have you lodged the FIR after 5 years of the occurrence so called occurrence
FIR was lodged in the year 2023 22 after the incident occurred in 2017
May
कौन पे एते दिन रे कोड सुतली
because
is it not after
because he there was a engagement between the petitioner and
ओ माने आपण को सेटा न से एंगेजमेंट भांगिला बोले राग
no matter
आउ कोन
engagement हे सरला परे
चल मंडे आउथर लगे दो आउथर लगे दो मंडे आउथर लागि मंडे नहीं नहीं आउथर लागि और नोट देबे नहीं नले पड़ी जीबे हम जान लागेला देबे नोट नेक्स्ट
May I please your lordship? With the
कितना नंबर 90
95.
4 टका
94 टका 15th.
अच्छा
15th.
बुझल एटा कोन
Where this revision petition arises against the order of the London Session Judge in
What is that?
rejecting the petition under section 193 of CRPC, taking cognizance and issue summons the non-charge sheeted accused persons. Though they have been directly involved in the alleged crime, but the police, without conducting any proper investigation and also without recording the statements of eyewitnesses.
एटा फाइनल हियरिंग पे एक्चुअली
Final,
फाइनल हियरिंग पे
final hearing.
एलसीआर आसी हां आसी ओके
My lordship may kindly, as per the lordship's direction, my lord, the non-charge sheeted accused persons were added as opposite party number 224.
so you are the non charge sheeted
No, my lord, friend is appeared. I am the informant, which petition was filed in the trial court. That cognizance should be taken against the.
अब इन्फॉर्मेंट ना बसन इन्फॉर्मेंट बसन पछे कथा
Yes, I am the petitioner. I am the petitioner.
Oh,
Yes, petitioner. Yes, I am the
Oh.
petitioner.
Okay, okay.
That petition was rejected by the learned.
You are
trial.
saying that these people should also be narrated.
Yes, arraigned as accused along with the persons who is facing the trial. One
So,
person
why
was
these people have
here
done
is the first, my lord. I am just placing the affair. The relevant person, then your lordship will convince. On 19/3/2022 ରାତ୍ର 9 ଘଟିକା ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଏମାନେ ହଉଛି ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି ଆଇ ଆମ୍ ରିଡିଂ ଜଷ୍ଟ देयर नेम ये କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଟ
ये नहीं ये जो आउ जो लोग यांक नागर जो
अच्छा
एक्यूज आउ
ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ପଡୁଛି ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କଣ ଦେଉଛି
14 ଏଫଆଇଆର
ନା ଆମ
ପାର୍ଟି କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
yes I am replacing ସେହି ସମୟରେ ଆମ୍ଭ ଗ୍ରାମର ପ୍ରକାଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ ପିତା ଚେରୁ ପ୍ରଧାନ ମଣ୍ଡପ ପାହାଚରେ ବସିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ବିଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସୁବ୍ରତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସୁଭାଷ ପ୍ରଧାନ ରାଜେଶ ସାହୁ ପିତା ରବିନାରାୟଣ ସାହୁ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ଛିଡା ହୋଇ ସାଜସଜା ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ। ସେହି ସମୟରେ ଆମ୍ଭ ଗ୍ରାମର ବିକାଶ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ନାୟକ ଦ ଡିସିଜ୍ଡ ବଜାରରୁ କିଛି ଘର ସାମଗ୍ରୀ ଜିନିଷ କିଣି ଘରକୁ ଫେରୁଥିବା ସମୟରେ ମଣ୍ଡପ ନିକଟ ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଛିଡା ହୋଇ ରହିଥିବା ଉପରୋକ୍ତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିମାନେ ଯଥା ବିଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସୁବ୍ରତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ରାଜେଶ ସାହୁ ସୁଭାଷ ପ୍ରଧାନ ବିକାଶ ନାୟକଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକାଇ ହଠାତ୍ ଧରି ପକାଇଲେ। ଆମ୍ଭେ କିଛି ବୁଝିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମଣ୍ଡପ ପାହାଚରେ ବସିଥିବା ପ୍ରକାଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଲୁଚାଇ ରଖିଥିବା ଏକ ଇଏ 4 ଜଣ ଯାକ ଇଏ 4 ଜଣ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଅତି ତରବର ହେଲା ଟିକେ
ବିଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସୁବ୍ରତ ପ୍ରଧାନ
ଆମର ସମସ୍ତ ପାଇଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି ହଁ ଓକେ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଜାନ
ଆମ୍ଭେ କିଛି ବୁଝିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମଣ୍ଡପ ପାହାଚରେ ବସିଥିବା ପ୍ରକାଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଲୁଚାଇ ରଖିଥିବା ଏକ ଧାରୁଆ ଅସ୍ତ୍ରରେ ଆମ ସମ୍ମୁଖରେ ଅତର୍କିତ ଭାବେ ବିକାଶ ନାୟକକୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ହାଣିଦେଲା ଏବଂ ବିକାଶ ନାୟକ ସେଠି ଭୂମି ଉପରେ ପଡି ସ୍କୁଟିରୁ ଟଳି ପଡିଲେ। ତାପରେ ହି ସକମ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି।
କଣ ନା ପ୍ରକାଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ
ପ୍ରକାଶ ପ୍ରଧାନ
ଏଇ ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ନା
Prakash Pradhan has been charged was assaulted. The four persons,
role କଣ
they detained. That's why I am reporting the ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଛିଡ଼ା ରହିଥିବା ଉପରୋକ୍ତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ତଥା ବିଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସୁବ୍ରତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ରାଜେଶ ସାହୁ ସୁଭାଷ ପ୍ରଧାନ ବିକାଶ ନାୟକକୁ ହଠାତ୍ ଅଟକାଇ ଧରି ପକାଇଲେ। So he was returning from market in his scooty. All 4 persons detained on the road. Thereafter, immediately he has the main accused assault Vikas assaulted. Then but the police without conducting any proper only submitted charge sheet against the main person who has assaulted. The persons who have detained and though they are direct allegations against him, they are involved.
So
accordingly,
what does the court below says?
Court says, my lord, that stage has not come. They can be added as accused person when as per the provision under section 319 of TRPC.
Everybody should have been.
My lord,
if they caught hold of that man,
Yes.
then everybody should have.
Well, what happened in the case, my lord? FIR was lodged against 14%, my lord. 14%. But here they made party only 4%, my lord. After investigation, my lord, Justice submitted one Prakash Pradhan, my lord. Because they were implicated only for political involvement. This
But-
stage, my stage
but,
is, my lord.
if-
My magistrate found no prior facie, there should not take cognizance, my lord. Tam. Committed the case to Court of Session, my lord. Court of Session not found in prior facie case, my lord. The stage is 319, my lord. He rightly said the session is right.
that has been
This is 319 is the stage, my lord. 319 is the stage, my lord. To implicate a person, my lord.
Give me a note.
yes, that has been decided in the Dharampal case, my lord.
Give me a note, sir.
Yes,
Give me a
I will
note.
give
Dharampal
it.
case
I will give note.
ଧରିକି
I am
କେହି
just
ଆସନ୍ତିନି?
placing, my lord.
Note ଟେ ଧରିକି ଆସନ୍ତିନି କଣ ପାଇଁ?
Sorry, my lord. I am
ମୋ ପଟେ note ଟେ ଧରିକି ଆଉଛୁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା next day I will also date fix କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
Monday,
date.
Monday, Tuesday.
My lord,
Give me, give me note. Both of you give me note.
A written
Okay,
note.
I understood. Okay. Give me note. Next.
ଗୋଟେ lordship should fix a date.
ହଁ Tuesday ଆଉ ଥରେ note ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଖାଲି ଆଉ ସେ hearing କିଛି ନାହିଁ note ଖାଲି only note ଆଉ hearing କଣ ଏଇଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Interim order to continue.
Next.
Item 98.
With case laws, my lord.
Yes, yes. Case law, give me copy दे दे ଆପଣ ବି ଦେବେ। Next.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, item 98, I am in virtual court, my lord.
99.
98.
98. Yes. कौन matter ଟା?
Matter, my lord, 1457 petition has been rejected by the law and court below towards releasing of a Wagner vehicle which has been seized by the OIC district mobile Kondhamal in connection with the 2SCC case number My this is case number 28/2022, which is pending before the London Additional Session Judge of Kulwani, my lord.
What I did, your vehicle is there.
Vehicle has been seized in connection with the 2SCC case, my lord.
So what do you want?
Well, I want to release the vehicle, your lordship may
What is it? Which vehicle?
Wagner.
Wagner. लख टका दियंतु
Wagoner, my lord.
लख
Wagoner.
टका डिपॉजिट करन तो vehicle लेके जांतु
My lord,
1 lakh rupees draft deposited before the court below and the petitioner shall be released and
22 ରୁ ରହିଲାଣି
the court shall release the vehicle in favor of the petitioner. Our condition as and when blah 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 लिख दिया बस खत्म
हजुर से 22 ରୁ ଏଟା କବାଡ଼ିଆକୁ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ହବନି ସେ vehicle ଟା
50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 50,000 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କବାଡି ଫବାଡି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବିନି 50,000 50,000 ତାହେଲେ କବାଡି वाला ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ନେଲେ କାଇଁ ନଉଛନ୍ତି vehicle ଟା ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଯଦି ରିପେୟାର କରିକି ଚଲେଇବ
ସେମିତି 50,000 ଦେଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ରିପେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ କେସ୍ ଜିତିବେ 50,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଫେରି ପାଇବେ
କିଛି ନାହିଁ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଆଜ୍ଞା
50,000 ସାର୍ ଦେବେ ନା ନାଇଁ ହଁ ନା ନାଇଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏଇ ବାର୍ଗେନିଂ ମାର୍କେଟ ନୁହେଁ ଏଟା 50,000 रुपीज ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାଇକେଲ ନେଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଯୋଉ ବୁକିଂ ନେବେ ସେମିତି କରିଦେବେ ହେଲା ଓକେ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦରକାର କୋର୍ଟ ମାଗିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ବାଇକେଲ ଆଣିକି ଦେଖିବେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
99.
99, my lord. Sorry. Petitioner is the
board below. Yes.
The petitioner is the wife. Interim maintenance.
99.
Yes, my lord.
The wife.
Interim maintenance was not paid, so she filed an application under
Husband कौन
128
करती?
for enforcement.
What is the husband doing?
Husband is serving in the government, RI.
RI,
Revenue Inspector.
कितने पैसे है RI तो माल प्रभाव कौन ऊपरी होता है RI
The lordship has issued notice, but nobody has
Yeah,
appeared.
sure. Non appears in the though notice is sufficient. Non appears. Let's see, 6th March. Next.
101.
101.
One kindly capture, my lord.
101 कौन कहते
Kindly taken up one week after, my lord.
हैं?
Kindly be taken up 1 week after, my lord.
1 week after, okay. हमें 5 week after दे दो चलो 14 March. Next.
102.
102, madam, to the petitioner.
Sorry?
I am for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Yes,
Yeah,
My lord, my senior is out of Kotak, my lord.
Who?
Ken Patnaik.
Your senior. You are you na? When did you join? When did you join the bar?
Okay, my lord. Next,
केबे join करছিলি?
21 last. 21 license, 22.
22 रे. कोड पढ़ती?
Capital Law College, my lord.
Capital Law. You argue the matter.
Today I am not
Again,
prepared, my.
Not prepared. ଆପଣ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରନ୍ତୁ ବାଗିରେ ଆପଣ କରିଦେବେ କଣ?
ନାଇଁ.
କଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟି କଣ?
Issue to my lord, in fact, my lord, in the face of the record, no office is made out. Here, my lord, here actually FIR was lost on 1/9/2020.
କଣ ହେଇଛି ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
It was
କଣ what do you feel?
purely commercial transaction. Bank loan ନେଇଥିଲେ, say defaulted, the bank proceeded, the bank got NBFC proceeded for recovery. Auction was made, so all have enclosed the notices. So after auction, he lost the FIR. ସେ ମତେ notice ନ ଦେଇକି ମୋର gold ଟାକୁ mortgage ରୁ auction କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି। ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି କଥା।
That is young counsel senior
Lordship asked me only to forward.
ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି କେବେ
Next week, my lord.
What is your name?
Anisha Sahu.
Huh?
Anisha Sahu.
No. Counsel for the petition Ms. Anisha Sahu. Praise for 2 weeks time.
My lord.
2 weeks time. Is the matter on 4th March. 4th
Oh,
March?
bless.
Entry morta contour.
Entry morta comes. Next.
Item 103.
103.
କହିଦେଇଥିଲେ ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ପଳେଇଥାନ୍ତି।
Well,
ପଳେଇଥାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲି କାରଣ ସେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମତେ ଜଣେ କେମିତି
ହେଲା ହୁଏ କୋର୍ଟରେ ତ ସେ ହବ ଆଉ
Today
this is a professional hazard.
Also enjoying the pleasure, lordship, while sitting before the lordship.
This is a professional hazard. Sitting in my court also.
For noting today LCR come, my lord, I am not ready to next week candidate. My lord.
Next week.
Candidate, my lord, here for hearing.
22nd.
My lord.
22nd. Give the matter for final hearings 22nd. 104.
104.
As per noting, LCR not received, my lord.
Count not visit. LCR. Okay, let the LCR come. Date they do. 13 March. Final hearing. Okay, next.
105.
My lord, due to serious illness of Mr. Tanmay Kumar Mahanti, the time may kind allowed.
My lord, 30 lakhs is the check amount.
Who?
Mr. Tanmay Kumar Mahanti, on behalf of
What is your name?
Sasmita Das.
You are appearing from Khordha Court.
Bhubaneswar Court, my lord.
Lakhai ji Khordha. Acha Bhubaneswar, at Bhubaneswar. Sorry.
High Court of Orissa.
The illness of Mr. Mahanti.
Nothing to say, my lord.
Such a considerate counsel. You should appreciate. Thank you, Kuantu, madam.
Bless.
Mate bole sir ko kuantu.
फाइनल हियरिंग गुडा टिके यदि ऊपर टॉप ऑफ लिस्ट असले कि मध्य असले हलो
सर आसीबो सर मो तो रेडी अछि सुनिया पे
नहीं नहीं आपको पहुंच जाओ
मो पहुंचबो भी आ मो सुनिबी भी डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट मो लास्ट डेट नो फर्दर एडजमेंट जोडी लेखे ना मो सुनिबी जेंति आपण जोन रेडी हो
ए माने जो ने काउंस
मो तो मुडो से तो सुनिया पे रेडी अछि आपण आइले ना मो इतमे लगो 120 टा काले पीड़ा मो भी से बंसी धरि
जजमेंट अंडर एनआई एक्ट
ठीक है सीधे यंग काउंसिल केबे एनरोलमेंट केबे मैडम
2010, my lord.
काफी सीनियर okay see senior is not ready
day,
okay but you should come and argue here on the next date केबे देरी date
1 week after, my lord.
केबे केबे आसीबे कहंतु आर्ग्यू करिवे केबे निजे सीनियर नाही निजे केबे आसीबे when are you free tell us मु फिक्स करिवे ना आपण आर्ग्यू करिवे सीनियर सांगरे बसिवे
Yes, my lord.
हाँ now she is so happy senior sangre बसले don't worry I'll not just you argue I'll help you
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
so fix करिया के देखो 15 16 तारीख आसंतु 16 रे आसंतु हला you argue अगर I'll not hear the matter again urgent कर देबी senior argue करिवेनी because you ask for time ना so you have to compensate with your argument okay
Yes,
okay
16, my lord.
16
Grateful.